Yo, home hearties, and welcome to the stream. How is everyone doing? Hello, Domini. Hello, Fuzi. Hello, William. Hello, Cayenne the CLS. Did I say Fire Fun Time? Hello, Fire Fun Time. And hello, Nightmare Ink Crystal. Oh, hello, Jacob as well. How is everyone doing today? Right. We're back on this wonderful project that we started yesterday. How's everyone doing? Hi, Captain. Hello, Domini. How's everyone doing? So, we're back here, and as a quick recap for what is that local script? Oh, that's that one. Right, we actually need to edit that script in a second. But so welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm saying that again. So last time, if you remember, I just realised I haven't got any background music, so I'll turn that on. There we go. Right. So if you remember, your character spawns in the middle of this, a playing game. Sort of. It's one of the mini games. So, basic idea: your character's here. You're in the game, and there's going to be 8 other games. Why have I got like a lagging behind on my mouse? You guys, I don't think you guys can see that, but on my screen I've got like 2 cursors, and it's like one's trailing behind the other. That's really weird. I don't think you can see it on your side. Wait, normally be everywhere from now, at least I have free time. Okay, right, so basically, your character's there in the middle. We need to decorate this place. I'm not going to do that today. And you have these 8 games that sit on the outside, or in a circle on your screen here. And if you click it, it's not going to work because we're in Roblox Studio. But what it does do, I need to open up Asset Manager. There we go. So what it would do is it would take you to, if it wants to load, it will take you to this place, which is work in progress. Hello, 8 JPEGs, lol. Yep, hello, Agent British, though. How are you doing? So it takes you to this place where you have a wonderful plane that you can fly around. It's not a very good plane, and it moves sort of very, like, I don't know. It's a bit jerky right now. It's sort of just like it moves really far up or it moves really far down, and then there's also the fact you can sort of submerge it in water and make it a submarine, which isn't great. So I'm probably going to need to set up something that makes it so that you can't do that. Flying gorilla copy? What? Oh, submarine. Yeah, it's not supposed to be a submarine, but this game, or this mini game, it's working well for now. I do like it. I'm going to do a quick test though. I want to see how small I can make the movements based on the thing. So I can do that. That is quite slow though. That's the thing. I don't want it moving so fast that it looks like it's just jumping, because of course if you do a larger movement, like if you move it by 10 or something, it's going to just completely jump across the map and stuff, and it's not going to look very smooth. But a speed like this is too slow. This is way too slow. So it's like, where is the middle ground? Yeah, where's the middle ground that we can find here? So like 0.5 is a good speed, but it moves across a bit, like, or it looks a bit too sudden of a change. So the other thing I can do is maybe change what speed it moves at depending on how far away your mouse is. That's a problem for another day though, because so far we have the basic concept. I do not want to work on that right now though. I like this one, I like this minigame, I like where it is. I don't want to work on this one right now though. So what I am going to do, I'm going to load up this one, and we are going to make a new place, which I assume is this one with no plane or the spawn symbol. Put the speed up to 7. It hasn't really got a speed dial like that, but right, this one is going to be I'm trying to think of what to call it. So if you remember our Angry Birds remake, that wonderful thing that we made, I want something like that. So if I open up the old project here, for some reason it's opened up on that monitor, which is really weird, so let's bring it over. So this project, if you remember, was the Angry Birds remake, and I think it was quite good. I quite liked it, considering it was made in one stream, so it's all like that. I want to work on this and make it better. I want to make it better. I don't know. There's nothing I can really say, is there? I want to make it better. I want to improve this. So this is going to be like the second sort of minigame, basically. And there's quite a few things in here. So there's the destroy script, there's map 1 and map 2. There's an indicator, and then there's that. Wait, what was in? I'm forgetting where some of the stuff is. So that literally has all the land, yeah, doesn't it? It's got all the train and everything. Right, okay, So, I want to improve this one, basically, and we might swap between this and the plane throughout the stream, but the main thing is I want to work on this, and I really need to make some changes to it. I really, like, it really does need some changes. So, first of all, I'm going to close that one, discard the changes, because I didn't want to change anything, and open up this one. So, right, if we paste over most of the stuff into here, we can basically copy a lot of our Angry Birds, remake stuff into this game, which is going to be quite useful. So I need the cam part, I need cam part, I need mouse collisions, I need aim part, and actually, yeah, I probably should just copy over everything that is here, just because it all sort of is useful. So copy that over. But right, this one, it's not going to be birds, basically. This one didn't need the base plate. Okay, right, let's get a copy of that doesn't have the base plate. Where's base plate? Where is base plate? Is it? Oh, right, I renamed it to Ocean, didn't I? Because that was smart. Right, so, paste that into there. And we've brought most of that over. It's all in the air for some reason. That's useful, just having it floating up in the air. I assume this is where, yeah, that's where the player spawns. Right, okay. That can move all the way down there. I'm gonna keep that spawn there for now. In fact, yeah, all of this just needs to move down. So there you go, back down to the surface. And is this our camera part? Is this the camera part? Yeah, that's cam part. Right, okay. Okay. When I was in school today, my stomach hurt. I don't know why. I did. Oh gosh. Holistic Daniel raid for you. Hello, Holistic Daniel. How are you doing? Well, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the raid. That was soon into the stream. It's only been 11 minutes. Right, okay. I should probably continue coding this, otherwise I'm gonna get distracted and never see it again. Right. Hello, Holistic Daniel. Yeah, everyone say hi to Holistic Daniel. Captain Pineapple, yes, Fire Fun Time. Right, I've forgotten what I was actually doing. Right, I need to line this up, firstly. So this needs to go, it was at a good height, mostly, so I'm gonna set that to 0. Let's make that 0.5 and set that one to 0. So there we go, it's lined up there now. Thanks, Daniel. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Daniel. You got community yesterday? I did see that, Fire Fun Time. I did see that you got, you got a community tab on your, Discord. Not Discord, YouTube. That. I can't remember the words of stuff. Add jump scares. Hi when it's raining. This one isn't a horror game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry when it's raining. I'm gonna be at my laptop soon. Wonderful. I don't know what that means though. Like, is that good? Well, I assume it's good. Like, is that good in terms of... I don't know what I'm saying. My mind's gone blank. Like, is that better for the stream? Right. I've just realised our mouse collision part, which is where mouse collision here. It is all the way up there for some reason. So, right, firstly, we're gonna bring down its position. So let's put it at 20, like that. So it is actually just below the camera part. Let's change it to 20.5. There we go, so now it's in line. And we're gonna move it forward. I don't know, wherever we move this forward to is where we need to build all of the levels. So we need a good distance. Hashtag Domini, right? Domini, you're already here. Astro Gaming Worlds, you play pilot training flight simulator? I do play it occasionally. Welcome to the stream, by the way. How are you doing? Right, so how far away was the mouse collision? But anyway, right, so if I line all of this up, it should all be fine. I just need stuff to be visible, basically. So, how far across do I move this? Don't blame Inky? Wait, what? Why are we putting hashtag don't blame Inky? What's going on? Should we be blaming Inky? What? Why would we be blaming Inky? I mean, that's nightmares, I assume. Right. If I click play, what I should see is most of this work. Launchbird is not a valid member of Replicated Story. I haven't got half the scripts here still. That's a good thing to notice. Right, starter GUI needs these two things, so let's copy that. Yeah, we are, for like 5 minutes here, we are just going to be copying over things from our other game. There we go, that's pasted in. Go back to this, and we need the replicated storage stuff. There we go, and into this. Replicated storage, paste in again. What was the other thing? Was there another thing? Was it in server script service? Or did we have anything in server script service? No, we didn't. Starter player scripts. Aha, that's what we need. So we're going to copy those and put them in. What was it? Starter player. Right. What have I just opened? I've just opened a folder. Oops. Right. Starter player scripts. Paste into. There we go. So we have all of the stuff that made the original birds. Other than... what are we missing? Why are the maps not here? Did that not load a map? It didn't, did it? Am I missing a script? What was the script that loaded the map? What was the script that loaded the map, guys? Or am I being really stupid? Workspace... was it this one? Generate map? The script that I don't think has come through. No, it's there. It's very much there. Speedrun is not a valid member of level parts. Terrain. What? hold on, I'm now very confused. Where's our stuff? This bug I have on Studio sent you is really annoying me. What, the bug where your top thing disappears? I don't know how to fix that. I'm not entirely sure what's up with it. I've never actually seen that glitch. Clone get children, what code is that? It's Roblox Studio code. That's just how it works. Where are we looking? Where did you see get children? Because that's actually a common one that we need. I don't know where it is. Where is that line? Oh, right, literally here. Yeah. So you can clone parts and then you can get children of the parts and stuff. That's I don't see anything suspicious about that. Right, why is the map not loading in? That's my main bit of confusion. Speed valve is not damage part 18. Wait, so that's a script. Where's damage script? That's gonna be in cloning. No, that's destroy script. We're looking for damage part. Where's that? Where on earth is that? I don't know where that is. Wouldn't it be real funny if someone jumps in and says, "Hey guys, what game is this?" People do all the time. Like all the time when coding this, someone will go like, "Hey, what game is this?" And it's like, it's one that we're making. I'm very confused. Why is damage part? What script is damage part? Oh, it's wood. Ah, right. Okay. Ah, right. I see what it is. I know what's happened, sort of. So in this we had speed valve, and that was useful. So I'm gonna change over some of the names of things. So where's our base plate? Base plate, you are changing to ocean again, because I don't know if that's needed for the script, but then paste into, and we have the speed valve. What error message am I going to get next? Speed valve is not a valid member of workspace current level. Level parts dot terrain. What? Wait, hold on. Workspace current level. Level parts. Is it all pasting in the wrong place? Is that what's happening? Is it pasting in the wrong place? Where's the level appearing? Off camera. Right, okay, that would explain it. So the game was working. The game was working, it's just I was screwing some stuff up with it. So, right, I need maps, and right, let's bring these two into let's bring them into the workspace. There. Right, now these are very nice basic designs, but I don't want them. I don't think I want them. I'm gonna take an enemy, because an enemy will be useful. Other than that, we are going to completely remove map 1 and map 2. Actually, I also want the terrain, so hold on. Right, terrain here. Right, that's a bit of grass. Can I get one that's... Yep, okay. So now I have grass and dirt. Put them into the workspace. And then map 2, just completely remove. And let's move our terrain over here. There we go. That's useful. Right. So, we still have that, and that is, that's a really annoying glitch, basically, and it is in... It's something to do with the whatever it's called, the outline thing. Outline, whatever it is. I don't remember what it's called, but, It's gonna be somewhere here, I think. Unless maybe it's in the maps. Is it in the maps? Because if so, then that's just really annoying, because now I've got a weird, like, glitch that doesn't want to disappear. So hold on, I need lighting again. Where's lighting? Where is lighting? There, right. Cloning, maps. Map 1, no, it's not there. And no, it's not there. Scripts? No. Where is the outline, like, thing? That is an awful explanation, but, like, you may know what I mean? The selection box, there. So, for some reason, even though the selection boxes are gone, I destroyed the selection boxes. That little indicator is still there. And I don't know why. I don't know why that indicator is still there. It is really annoying. Because this doesn't disappear. This doesn't and won't disappear. Try reopening Studio. It won't work, I don't think. It's not gonna work. Basically, there used to be a part there. There used to be a part. Selection boxes, like celebrations. Sure, whatever you want. Hello, Derek. You don't know how to say the last part of that. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. LSP developer. How are you doing, by the way? Yeah, basically, there's a selection box here that is trying to find a part that doesn't exist. It literally doesn't exist. So if I close Studio, or I close that Studio at least, and then I open it again, it should all be saved. If it's not, I'm going to cry. But... oh, it worked that time. Why did it never work any other time? Add celebrations to Roblox. I mean, they are very nice chocolates. Right, okay. So, I sort of decided, what if I make this with cobblestone? What would this look like with cobblestone? I just want to know. I kind of prefer that. You know, I think I'm going to go with that. And this, I feel like I might change its name to Ice. The Lotus SMP quiz? Barely anyone watches the Lotus SMP. It's like, having the Lotus SMP quiz is kind of pointless, sort of. No one's going to know anything. Right. So, something I decided, I sort of want the enemies to be a bit more cartoony in this. So, what this is going to be, this is not going to be Angry Birds. This is not Angry Birds. What this is going to be, what I sort of want it to be, is like a castle. So, it's gonna be like attacking a castle, and you're using a catapult and everything that's launching different objects. That's sort of what I want it to be. And the thing is, I have a fun idea, I think. So, if I take this enemy, I'm gonna turn the transparency to 1 for now, but insert a particle emitter, and this is going to be a bit odd. So this is going to be called display, but I need an ID of an image. Any image. I'll probably just go with my classic hexagon. But what I can do, I think, I'm hoping, if I click locked to part... dang it, that did not work. Okay, that didn't do what I expected. Shoot. What if I try billboard GUI? Can I try a billboard GUI? Would a billboard GUI work? I don't actually know. I might have to try that. Yeah, annoyingly, that does not do what I thought it would do, which is really, really annoying. So hold on. We're not going to do that, But what I am going to try, so enemy, insert object, billboard GUI. And then in this, if we put an image label, look at that, that sort of works. Now, this is where it gets a bit more confusing, maybe. This is where it gets more and more confusing. And the other option is I design this character a different way, but I want to see how it works this way. So, with this billboard GUI, if I set its size, what happens if I tell it to set its size to 1 by 1, like that? It sets it to that, okay. And that GUI should, okay, well, This does not act the way I thought it would. I'm just trying to think of different ways I can try this. Different ways that could be quite fun. And I'm trying to think. So... So... This is really difficult to... Oh, wait, hold on. Right, I need to change the size of it here. So if I change the size here, did something, and the anchor point, if I set that to 0.5 by 0.5, should not have done that. Okay. GUI. This does not do what I thought it would do. Right, okay, we're doing another rework. New idea. Change it to 0.5. Remove the billboard GUI. I sort of wonder if it would be really funny. Oh gosh, no, remove that. Right, if I get a sphere, and I make it the same size, so... let's decrease it by 2 studs, like that. So that sphere is the same size as the block there. So, I wonder, I want to see if I can try something. We're gonna see if we can design a knight. we're going to see if we can design a knight. That's actually what we're going to do. So, if I bring this over here, file, new, we are going to go 1000 by 1000 as always, because that's just our standard, and make it transparent. What is with the 1 letter at a time? Please don't do that, you do fill up the chat. Right, show grid. How do we make a knight? How do we make a knight? Are we going through the English alphabet? Is that actually what we're doing? It can't be, because you didn't start at A. You didn't start at A. I'm pretty sure he's writing something. Right, okay. So, for reference, we're not snapping to the grid. That's useful. So, for reference, the person is going to be the size of this circle, and this is what I need to fill in here, this circle. So, I wonder, Pineapple, your chat's weird. I agree, Fousey, I agree. Right, so, I've got to try and think. No, wait, this needs to be a full square, doesn't it? This is really annoying to try and work out. Like, I am not lying here, this is really annoying to try and work out. What's the most, like, cube... Can we make a cube enemy? Can we draw a knight as a cube? How easy would that be to do? What does a knight even look like? First of all, actually no, we don't need a skin tone. We can do skin tone with the person. Like we can do skin tone with the actual block. So right, if I go with a nice grey like that, and then let's set the size to 100. I'm just thinking at this point, but look, we can sort of do something like this. I can pour in on this side as well, and go like that. And look, we can draw like a knight's helmet around all of this and stuff. We can draw a knight. But again, what does a knight look like? Can someone please tell me what a knight looks like? Because I'm not good at this. First of all, I feel like we need a helmet. I think, like, what does a knight's helmet look like? This is really bad. This is really bad. Right, hold on. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down like that. So I can go 6 down like that. I need like the color of a helmet. There we go. Silver. That's good color. And then I can do those like little sort of pokey down bits. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what they're called at all. But if I do that, that's not actually centered, is it? No, that's not centered at all. Right. Let's try that. And then if I erase those areas like that, there we go. That's sort of looking good. I need white for the eyes and make the size 300 again. Not 300, 100. And look, I can sort of try this. Let's go down like that. I don't know why, but it never fills in all of the way when it does that. But I can do that. Then let's get a darker colour. So we'll go with that. Change the size to 50 now. I quite like this. I quite like this. I think this is funny. Right, So, then we need, like, the rest of the night. What is the rest of the night going to look like? I need to look up a picture of a night. Images. Okay, blue is like the stereotypical colour that would go there. So what if I try that? What if I try putting blue down here? So let's go with the rectangle tool again. And we need a nice blue colour. What is a nice blue colour? That's a good blue. That's like the stereotypical blue. And go and fill that in. Then let's see what happens if I remove. Oh no! Oh gosh, that right. Yeah, I forgot it would do that. Okay, rectangle marquee tool, and we are going to remove that part of the erasing. There we go. Look at that. It's not perfect, I do have to admit. I do have to admit. This does not look like a knight. Yeah, probably doesn't. But we can try. We're gonna keep persevering, you know? Just keep on trying. I mean, maybe at some point you should give up. Pineapple, I have a game suggestion. What's the game suggestion? Oh gosh, what is going on in my chat? It looks like a bendy ripoff. What do you mean it looks like a bendy ripoff? It's not bendy ripoff. Nobody would guess that's a knight in a guessing competition. Look, we have to give it a bit more personality and stuff. They always have like a yellow symbol and stuff as well. Whenever there's blue, they always then have a yellow symbol on the front of it. So what if we try 100 size again, and I don't know, we'll give it some sort of yellow symbol. I don't exactly know what symbol this is. I don't want to make it a cross because I'm going to get told off for putting religion into it or something, and then like, I don't know, you're going to get someone going, oh, you're swaying towards this type of religion. There we go, we can do that sort of cross, the not religious cross, just a plus sign. Yeah, it still looks bad. It's like Find the Noobs, but with something else. There's loads of those games though, and there's no like replayability. It looks like a toaster. How does this look like a toaster? In what world is this what a toaster looks like? What sort of toasters are you? What sort of toasters do you have? Right, hold on. They have shoulder pads as well. They have shoulder pads. Can I do a shoulder pad? Like if I don't know, I can't snap to a grid out there. That's the problem. Right, let's go like that, and then set the position to -300. Not -300, -150. That would work better. Okay, you know what? We're bringing it down by 1 again. Color, we're gonna pick that one again. Let's fill that in. Nah, that looks worse. That looks even worse. Are you gonna make uniforms for different divisions of knight? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, firstly, I think I need 1 knight. By the way, for a reference picture, I'm looking at this. By the way, this is my reference picture. What the heck? Look, we're trying here. We're trying. No one said I would be good at this. And no one's definitely no one's gonna say I'm good at this after this. Hold on, right, if I move this by 900, or if I move that to 900, okay, not 900, 8? 750? No, I was right, it's 800, there we go. Right, hold on. Like, this can all be changed and everything, but for now, I want to see what just happened, so I'm gonna, okay, that's, right. Let me export all of this and stuff, so, storage drive D, pictures, custom decals, stream game, and we're going to go with Crumble, because that's what it's referred to as. Night 1. Wait, it would help if I could spell. Night 1, icon 1. we're just experimenting here, guys. We're just experimenting. So, develop. You can't see what I'm doing right now. But right. So stream game, Crumble, Night 1, icon 1. Upload. Wow, this really does look awful. Okay. We're gonna make it a cube. We're gonna make it a cube. It is a cube. Actually, what does it look like on a sphere? I want to know. But, then I need to reload that. So if I click images. Okay, maybe it does need, maybe it does need a bit of work. Right, okay, let's put it on a cube. I want to know what it looks like on a cube. I want to know what it looks like on a cube. Because it could look better on a cube. It might look better. There we go, it's better. better. Awful and cursed, like my face. I mean, look, it's sort of okay. It looks fine. Thank you, Fire Fun Time. Thank you. See, why can't you all be like that? It actually looks better somehow? Yeah, it does. Why can't we all be like Fire Fun Time and be... It looks like a South Park character? That's fine. It can look like a South Park character. I should probably make the side views of it. So that's something I've got to do. Let's open up this again. Bring it back across. We're going to do File, New. It's not going to be transparent. For some reason the default isn't transparency, and that really annoys me. Right, View. Show Grid. So what we need to do is basically get all of this down to the correct. Go away, cursed fire. It's got... What's wrong with it? I think it's fine. I think it is fine. Right, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I have an idea. I haven't told it to snap to the grid. Right, so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's where it lines up there. And then we're going to come down by another 6, like that. We're gonna fill that all in. We're going to fill that all in. Get the rectangle tool and fill it in this way. There we go. Watch it come back again in 10 seconds. You're going to have to see it again. We're working on the game. Like, you're definitely going to see it at some point. Oh my gosh, I took graphic design. I took graphic design as a course. That is something I've actually done. And I'm making this. Right, okay, so that's 4x7, I know. And then 4 up. So, ellipse tool. We need to make this 7 squares, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4 up. Then I think the position goes to negative 200. That's 20. I need 200. There we go. And fill it in that way, like that. Then it's sort of the shirt, which actually needs to go under this, so shirt, and put it on the layer below. Which height was it? It goes up to there, doesn't it? It goes up to the same height as this, so if I fill this in, I need the colour, so we're going to use the colour picker. There we go, and fill that in. And look, this is all temporary. This is all temporary. It's gonna be fine. But if I go and export it, oh gosh, right, move it off here, because for some reason it works better on this monitor. Right, export, and we're going to call this Night 1 Icon 2. Export, yes, export it. Right, and then we're going to choose the file, upload. We're going to see what this looks like. We are going to see what this looks like. This can go. So, if I quickly reload the images, that's... Oh, how did that... I very much clicked on meshes there. No, it's not awful. It works. That works. In the context of knowing it's a night... Or, like, in the context of knowing that you're destroying a castle, that works. That can work. Pineapple, do the voice of this great knight. I don't think it's gonna have a voice. Copy paste it. Well, what I need to do is I need to flip it. So I'll just do this off screen because it's not gonna matter for you guys. But image transform, flip horizontally. There we go. And then we're going to export as icon 3. Export it. There we go. Now choose file, icon 3, upload. Let's just quickly reload the images again, and there we go. It's there. There we go. It's actually kind of working. Like it's kind of working, I would say. We're gonna need to do the back, the top, and the head. Actually, hold on. If I just use literally a square, because that's what it is a square. And then I need the color. What color is this? If I copy the hexadecimal of it, then here, just put in the hexadecimal, and it's different. Oh, because I just changed the skin tone. I need the image on top. There we go. Right. So change hexadecimal that. And look at that. That worked. See? I'm smart sometimes. maybe not all the time, as clearly shown by this. It basically wait, hold on. What? Hold on. What's going on? What is going on? Wait, what? Hold on, what? Discriminating? What? I'm very confused. Right. But there we go. And actually, you know what? Good thing about this, we can actually change the skin tone to anything. So look, we can make an ogre. See? It's an ogre. Or someone that is very, very ill. Right. The back and the back and the top can sort of be done. Right, so let's bring this back over, and you know what? I'm just going to use the exact same. I'm going to use the exact same template because why not? Right. So fill that in with that color. I just realised I did that on the shirt. I want to do that on the background. So there we go. Right. And then if I take the this tool, I can just give it a nice bit of shape at the back, you know. So there you go. The helmet has a bit more shape to it. And then just use the rectangle tool, highlight an area that covers all of that. Swap to shirt. Pick that color. Hello. Pick the. Oh, that's done on background too. I didn't know that. Right. Okay. But fill in that and highlight this area here, like that, on background, and erase it. There we go. So then I can export this as icon 4. Wait, what is going on? How have we moved on to Star Trek and Star Wars and stuff? Right. And the last one that we need to do is the last one that we need to do is like the underneath of it. And I think I have a fun little idea for this. I'm gonna give him I'm gonna give him tiny little boots. He's going to have tiny little boots. How do you make the shape of a shoe? That's the question though. So if I get the ellipse tool, oh, which way is this going to go? Because image could... Oh. Hold on, right. I've got to work out which way this decal is going to face. Because... that could actually change stuff. That's the wrong one. That's Angry Birds remade in one stream. I can close that one now. So close that one and then open up this one. Right, if I paste a decal on the bottom of this, which way is it facing? Okay, so it's facing that way, so I need the bottom of the image to be the front of the person. Okay, that's fine. So if I try and go with, I don't know, what is a fun little design I can go with for his boots? If I go like 3 in and 4 down, make that. Go with a dark brown. This is the part that you're probably not going to see too much of, because if it flips upside down, it's probably going to die. That got a bit dark, but like that's what's going to happen if this little knight flips upside down. They're probably going to die. So look, we're just giving him some cute little boots, okay? They don't look much like boots, but we're going to refer to them as boots. So there we go, and down here, fill it in there, and then we just need the rectangle one. Fill that in there. There we go. That is the underside of our that's the underside of our little knight. Come back to his little face there. Right, this is icon. I've just realised I actually named the last one wrong. I named it 5. It should have been 4. So this one's going to be 4 instead. So, icon 4. There we go. Upload. And icon 5. I just selected the file. Please upload it. There we go. Right. Let's refresh images. So, night on icon 4. There we go. We've given him his little boots. And then night icon 5 is there. Look at that. We look at this. I actually quite like that now. I think that's grown on me. I think that's actually like grown on me. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's quite cute. I mean, we are going to be killing him because that is what the enemy is supposed to be. So if I take all of this enemy stuff and copy, and then I can paste it in there. So if I run this, it should now mean velocity is not a valid member of workspace.workspace. That's why have I got an error on that screen? I don't know. Right, but then I can lift him up and he doesn't die. Okay. Oh, that's because he's not. No, wait, no. Hold on. Why did he not die? That's concerning. He should have died. Why did he not die? Why is my chair making all sorts of noises? My chair is just, like, being so loud today. Hello, Bill Cypher, the YouTuber. Right, I do not know why he did not die there. Oh, because I never pasted in any of the stuff. There we go. So now, he's got all the velocity. He just died instantly. Oh, of course, because he's... No, wait, no, he shouldn't have died instantly, no matter what. Hold on, right. Little Knight, you're... Fuzzy, I think I just found the same glitch that you had. What the heck have I just done? What did I just do? Wait, yeah, because now that's covered up. Wait, what did I just do? How? What? What did I just press? Press the little arrow. Oh, that little arrow. Customize? In the top right. Oh, top right, here. No, that's log out. Ah, I want that. Okay, that's weird. Huh. Did not know that Roblox could do that, or Roblox Studio could do that. Right, hold on. Anyway, so what I was trying to do is set that to 0.25, just so that I can center the little knight there. So if I click run, that's all fine. My main concern is just the fact that for some reason it died instantly. Unanchor that part. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Right, I am gonna be back in a second. Hold on, so let me just mute that. Right, I'm gonna be back in a second, trust me. Okay, I am back. Hello, welcome. I may have just drunk an entire pint of orange squash in one breath, and I'm sure that's healthy. So, right. What's been going on in chat without me? I want to work out why this guy did not die. Because he should have died. He didn't though. For some reason. So if I just raise you all the way up there, how far did I just raise him up? Where is he? Where? He's completely gone. Did it die? Did he die? I don't know. I don't know where he is. Right, okay. I'm gonna raise you really high up in the air. You should die from that fall. And he does. I just realised that it does need to make it so that all of the decals go invisible and everything. We should also make sure the particle. You know what? Let's change the particles to pure red. It's gonna be a bit grim. He falls to his death and just explodes into a bunch of blood, but that's fine. That's fine. Hello, the gaming expert. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Yeah, this is all fine. Right. So damage part. Health dot value is right. Okay, so that is the correct one. I then want to do if health dot value is hold on. No, that can't be where. This is where I should be looking. Never mind. Right, destroy script. So if health dot value goes below 0, then I want to do local. Actually, wait, hold on. Actually, no, I can do it here. Local children equal part colon get children. For count equals 1 to number of children. Yeah, we're back with the we're back with the children, by the way. So whoever was going, why are there children in a script? This is why. For that in children, there we go. And then if children square brackets count is a what is it? Is a and then where is it? What's the bloody is a function? Is a function. Oh wait, hold on. Right, is a function. Roblox, because this is one of the stupid ones that you never actually end up needing. Oh wait, it's colon. Is a and then can I do decal? No, is decal decal, there we go. Then decal, not that, no, children, square brackets, count, colon destroy. So what we should see now is when it falls to its death, the decal disappears. The other thing we want to do is, or, children, square brackets, count, colon is a, and then I'm hoping I can do selection box. So selection box, then, and just destroy it the exact same. So what I should see now is fall to his death, and boom, gone, dead, completely. So it's a bit dark, maybe, that he falls to his death and explodes into a bunch of blood, but that's fine. That's fine. The celebrations of return. Yeah. I actually quite like that now. I think that's cute. Like, can we all admit that this is cute? Welcome back, Nightmare and Crystal. We've just made it so that when this knight falls to his death, he completely explodes into blood. Right there. So now I'm thinking of making a change to a few things. Sort of. Firstly, I actually want to change this. Where is it? Where's the base plate? So I just saw it. The ocean, I'm now going to call it ground, because I don't think it's referred to as anything, really. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it. That's actually quite nice. That is actually quite nice. Actually, I have another idea as well. There is a different texture thing that I have. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so far back. Oh wait, texture attempt 1. Here it is. So if I try this as the texture, what does it look like? Absolutely nothing. That is so useful. I don't know why that texture doesn't work, because I've tried using that before and it just doesn't load. And it's just like, why? Okay, you know what? It's fine though like that. I quite like that. Hello, I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. Rajul, I've seen you before. I remember you. I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't remember your, how to pronounce your name. I'm really sorry. Hi, I'm back. Hello, Leanne Tremaine. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Right. So, I'm hoping, despite the fact that that is now changed name, it's all fine. There we go. Velocity is not a valid member of workspace. I don't know why that has a... Oh, wait. Hold on. Velocity script. Where is the velocity script? Oh. Wait. Damage part... Why is all of this just in the workspace? Can I remove that? Oh gosh, hold on. Wait, that's in the... Hold on. Right, why is all of that in the workspace? And let's deselect the spawn location. Right, is that all fine? Speed val is not a valid member of workspace in a velocity script. Where is it getting that? Velocity script, there. Right, remove the velocity script. Everything works still. Yep, no error messages that time. That's good. Right, okay, so if I click play, I just need to test, does the aiming still work with the mouse? Yes, it does. Okay. Aiming still works with the mouse, and I can still launch a bird with that. Right. I do not want to do that though. The bird we are actually going to be changing. So now, because we're attacking a castle, we're not going to be hitting it with birds. We are going to be hitting it with actual stuff that you would launch at a castle. So, mainly, rocks, flaming rocks, and maybe a bomb. Because I do want a bomb. I want a bomb of some sort. So... I am hoping to maybe make that work. So if I do this as just like... I don't know, I'm gonna call it projectile 1, just because that's a bit easier to work with. Let's make its material slate, or something, and then change it to a dark stone grey. This is going to be projectile 1. It's a basic projectile. And then, I don't know, so projectile 2 we can do as the flaming one. I have a cool idea for this, I think. So if I change it to neon orange and then use cracked lava, maybe? That actually works quite well. And then insert object, we're going to go with particle emitter, of course. Now, in particles, size, we're going to make it so that it drops down to 0 as it goes. Then light emission, we will change that. We're going to change the color to orange. Transparency, we want to set like that. Its lifetime is currently a bit too long as well, so lifetime, we're actually going to change it from 0 to 1 second. Its rate, I think 100 is actually quite good. And what I need is my hexagon. You know, that same hexagon that I use for all of my particles, because it's just good. Oh, are we talking about Iondis in chat now? Right, so... yeah, actually, isn't Iondis, like... Iondis isn't upload... Actually, is Iondis back to uploading yet, or is Iondis still taking a break? Because I know that Iondis was taking a break. Oh gosh, okay, the size is a bit too much. Size is a bit too much. I'm going to change it to 0.5. There we go, I think that works better, actually. Rotation we're going to set to 180, and then we're going to set rotation speed to negative 360 to 360. So it can spin in all directions, basically. Yeah. Hi Melody. Good morning. Welcome. It's now 3 in the afternoon for me. Right. So spread angle. I don't think we need that. What on earth is a flipbook layout? What's a flipbook layout? And why has it got an error message next to it? I've never seen that before. Right. So. What we want to do is we actually want to make it so that it accelerates upwards, like that. So it's going to go upwards, and we are going to set its speed to 0. Okay, maybe 5 isn't enough. Let's set it to 10. There we go. That's good. So, remember, what this is going to be doing is it's going to be flying along like that, and then the fire behind it is actually going to move upwards. So that is good. Oh yeah, Melody, just so you know, basically, you remember yesterday how it's like a bunch of mini-games all put into one? The second mini-game is basically the Angry Birds remake thing, except, like, of course, not launching a bird, because we're actually doing a castle raid, and we have this little guy, this little knight up here, and these are going to be the guys that you're killing. So yeah, interesting. Yeah, it saves your bird from exploding, because that's probably what's going to be the advantage of projectile 3 here, which is going to be exploding. So, let's hope that's all good. Right, actually, you know what? I'm going to copy over the particles here. And what I'm going to do with this one is the... where is it? So, you can change the emission angle slightly. Spread angle here. We need to change it to 180 on both axes. And then speed, we're going to set to like 10 or something, and then we're going to increase the drag to like 10 as well, sort of. So, okay, right, let's up speed. 50? Let's half that, I think. 25. There we go. I think that's good. And this is a bomb, so I don't know, make it metallic black, I assume. That's what like stereotypical bomb looks like. So metal. Oh, that is oddly shiny. That is oddly shiny. Rip. Wait, what's going on? What is happening? I'm very confused. But there we go. So we have some different projectile ideas there. I'm going to change that to grey because I don't like how reflective it is. Okay, that's even more reflective. I don't know. I'll have to look at that one later. Hello, S'mores. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. you've joined us in our experiments of sort of like an Angry Birds recreation. Right. So these are going to have some special things in them. So if I take the original bird here without the decal, I don't need the decal. And what we're going to do, so if I paste that into projectile 1, I'm gonna call it remove projectile. We're gonna try and remove most traces of the fact that this was originally done as an Angry Birds remake. What's he making? I would have myself. What we are making, let me load it up. You know what? I'm gonna load it up on Roblox. I'm gonna load it up like actually on Roblox. What we are making is, if you've ever played We Play or We Play Motion, sort of like that, and it's just a fun thing to stream. I don't expect this to be a good game, I just want to do it for fun. But basically, there's 8 games that will be around here. So far we have this one, which it should send us to in a second, there we go. And this one, basically you control a plane. This one needs a lot of work, but I'm not working on that today. I'm working on this one, which is going to be an Angry Birds remake. Woohoo. So basically just you're more of a scripter. I don't know what I am. I like the scripting, but I like the building as well. So this is basically I'm trying to think. It's just Angry Birds, basically, but with projectiles that aren't birds. We did make Angry Birds with that bird, and I have a short about it on my channel. That short did quite well. I'm quite proud of that short. Right, so velocity script, that. Right, I remember. So none of the projectiles actually calculate the damage themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a value here. This is going to be a Boolean value, and this is going to be called hit object, I think. So hit object, and then if we go to cloning, so a folder that has cloning, and then scripts, destroy script here. So we are going to, oh wait, hold on, have to value changed. Dang it, that's different. How do, oh wait, hold on, is it all handled in these? Oh, why would I do that? Why would I do that? That's stupid of me. That's very stupid of me. Yeah, I really shouldn't have done that. How much Roblox? Wait, how much Roblox have you made out of games? I assume you mean Robux. Like, how many Robux have I made? I've made none. You just subbed? Thank you. Thank you for the sub. Actually, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. I have made some Robux out of it. I've made like 30 Robux. Moddy P, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? You're making a Hitman game. That sounds fun. I did want to do a Hitman game at one point. I sort of gave up on it because I ended up playing Hitman, like the actual game, a bit more. But I've made 500 Robux or more. Yeah, I've made 30, and it was just because someone was a premium player, and they like played it for 30 minutes or something, so it gave me 30 Robux, and that is all of the revenue that I've had from game development on Roblox so far. I just find it fun. Like, I have so many things where I've just coded stuff. I haven't actually done anything with it. But anyway, so I want to do another thing here. So what we're gonna do is, oh wait, hold on, multiplier. The speed multiplier. Oh right, okay, that's fine. No wait, no. Where does multiplier come from? Multiplier equals 1. I don't know why I set multiplier to 1 there, because it never changed. Unless this was copied from... this was probably copied from... it was probably copied from... something else. So, right, anyway. If I do if hit dot name equals... projectile 1... Oh gosh, is this going to be a really long if statement? It might just have to be, because, I don't know. I mean, I could probably make it more efficient, but that's just the easiest way to do it. Then, and what we're going to do is hit dot, and then we're going to know that it will have this, like, we're going to know that it has this hit object value, because it's going to be in all of the projectiles, so paste into selected there. Hit dot hit object dot value equals true. So what that should mean is now when the object hits something, it should be fine. And the way I am going to test this, I'm going to take a wooden board right here. Let's take this wooden board and just scale it up, literally make it so that we cannot miss it. And then, so we don't want current birds, do we? We want birds here, even though they're no longer birds. So peanut in that folder needs to go. And then we're going to copy projectile 1 and just put it into birds temporarily. So what I am hoping to see, oh gosh. Oh right, of course, the script that actually cloned things, it was always looking for peanut, wasn't it? Right. Okay, I'm gonna need to change that script, but for now, just to test this, we're gonna put it as projectile 1. I'm working on a minigame and a big obby. I'm working on my Roblox game, like Emergency Response Liberty County. I like that game. Yeah, I hope that your game design goes well. So I just want to see, where did that go? I don't know if that's actually... Okay, that one definitely hit. And for some reason it's not in current birds. Dang it, why does it not go in current birds? Oh, it's referred to as a bird for some reason. Right, hit object. Why is hit object not considered true? Is it because I didn't change it? Is it because I didn't change it over multiple things? I definitely didn't, did I? This is why, right, first of all, I need to really close a bunch of these scripts. These are really stupid. Right, did I only change it in this script? Oh wait, oh. Oh, that's why. Okay. And I know that wouldn't have changed in this one. Yeah, I should have been better with this, damage script and put it as a cloning thing as well. But there shouldn't be too many changes that I need to make to it from now. Right, so if I just make sure that a bunch of those hit, so all of those have, basically, and then if I just select bird, hit object, it was set to false. Why was hit object set to false? Come on, please. Please tell me that you work. Why is hit object set to false still? Sweeper is not a member of indicator. That's fine. Actually, wait. Oh, hold up. No, that should be fine. Still, that should have really been fine. Why? Why was that not working? Hello, Red Slime. Well, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? And Fire Fun Time too. What's going on? Who put me in timeout? Please don't, like, evade timeout. I don't know what's been going on in the chat, but, like, what's been happening? Because I would like for there to not be conflict in my chat, please. Right. So, why did that not work? Why did that not work? Okay, first of all, I'm going to take that wooden part and I'm going to completely delete it. Damage part. So we should also do and hit dot name is not equal to indicator. Then so that should remove that error message, because I didn't know that was an error message that was coming through for some reason. Right, so I'm very confused by that. I am very, very confused by that. Because for some reason it's not changing the value. It's not changing the value. And I don't know why, because there's no error message with it or anything. It seems like it would be working completely fine, but if I look at hit object, the value is still false. Why is the value false? Hit object dot value equals true. What is wrong with that? Oh, because it's called bird. That's why. That is why. There we go. Right. So if it is called bird, then it should work. So let's get at least a few hits. There we go. And now if I look at bird, hit object, the value is true. Woohoo. Right, okay. So now I need to I think so. The script that launches the bird, where is that script? In fact, yeah, where is that script actually? This is the problem when you rush stuff in one stream, because all of this was made in a single stream. It's not gonna be any of those. Where is it? Where would it be? Terrain, current birds, current level, power level, score. Where would it be? Where's the script that launches the bird? Is it... oh wait, hold on. Aim part. Is it here? Launch birds, here. Right, this one, we're going to change it to launch projectile. So, part of that is, yeah, right. So, I'm going to change this to projectiles, like that, and here, projectiles. So, and change it here as well, so projectiles, and this is going to be projectiles there. So we are slowly changing this over. I'm going to tell this to change to launched projectile. And then in the damage part script, what we're going to do is tell this to change to launched projectile. Like that. And that's just how the that's just how all the launches. Right, that is fine. That's fine. Wait, what's happening? Can someone explain what's happening in chat, please? Can someone explain what's happening in chat? Because I'm seeing traces of an argument here, and I would prefer if people were not arguing in my chat, please. Hello, where's the milk, by the way? Me when I wake up to a pineapple stream every day this week. Yeah, I have time to stream this week, so Fire and Red are going crazy. Right, guys, what is happening? What is happening? Fire, Funtime, and Red, what is going on? Hello, AJ, as well. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Yeah, what is happening? Because it would be nice if you guys were not arguing in my thing. Red being weird. You are red. You're red. You're red slime. What? I'm so confused. Right. This we're gonna call explode particles as well. So what I want to do with this, I might do a stream today, just maybe though. I mean, if you are streaming when I am not, then I'll try and watch it. It was a joke they took too far and it became unfunny. Right. Okay. So currently it's always going to pick the same projectile, which is... Right, this is going to require like almost an entire rework of our scripts. Not a full rework, but a lot of stuff is going to need to be like rewritten basically. So we're going to turn off enabled, and then hit object. Basically in here we're going to put a script, and this is going to be, actually wait, hold on, why is only hit object over here? Why is none of the other stuff copied over? So if I go to projectile 1 and copy everything other than hit object, there we go, and then paste that into, and the same with projectile 2, there we go, that's good. So what this means now, wait, the average degrees cooked to a hamburger is 83 degrees. Thank you for the useful information. Right. So, explode particles here. What we want is, as soon as this hits something, the projectile will basically wait a few seconds, I'm guessing around 3 to 5, and then explode. So the explosion is going to be the harder part to handle. So I'm hoping it'll be fine. How do I do this? I think, right, so the remove projectile script, we're gonna rewrite this. So this is going to be explode projectile, like that. So local projectile equals script.parent, local hit object equals projectile dot hit object, and then local particles equals I'm trying to think, what would it be called? Actually, yeah, what would this be called? Explode. I'm trying to think of what another part of this is going to need to be called. So, projectile dot explode particles, that's fine. I'm trying to work out how the explosion's going to work, because I think I'm gonna basically put a change into the, I'm gonna basically make it so that in the damage script, if it hits a part that is going to be called like an exploding part or something, then the part will instantly be destroyed. Basically, I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Right, I need help, Pineapple. What is going on? Right, what, guys, what is fire fun time? Fire fun time. Can you stop with the like spamming random characters? Because each time it just gets hidden and it fills up my chat. So what is going on? What is going on? Yeah, fire fun time, please, like, calm down. Yeah. So, right. What's going on? Joke's not funny, I'm trying to enjoy the stream. Fire fun time, make fun of people. You need help with grammar? I'm not sure I'm the best person to ask for that. Is anybody making star thing? Right. Can everyone calm down? Fire fun time, maybe stop making jokes around random people, because some people don't like it. And then also, like, can you stop with the random spamming of letters? Because the thing is, YouTube blocks it. So, YouTube goes and blocks your, like, random letters. If you just do that, YouTube blocks that. YouTube instantly just blocks that. Except it then gets sent to me and all of the moderators and stuff. And it keeps going like, hey, do you want to show this message, or do you want to hide it? And it's causing problems, because it just means that the chat fills up and then I can't actually see what's being said. Right, not grammar game, I need help with my... Oh, game, right, you need help with your game. I don't think I am the best person to ask. I mean, we're like, I'm making this, which is probably the most inefficient thing ever. It causes lag too, does it? Huh. Actually, yeah, that makes sense, because that's essentially how the DOS attack works, so, yeah. I need help making a shop GUI? That is something I've never done. I've never made a shop GUI, so... not good. Is fire gone? I have no idea. I don't know, like, there's no messages coming through that are hidden, but I can't see who's watching. So there's a chance fire's gone, but I don't know. Right, anyway, so explode check. So I said I just want to cook to a campfire. Right, I think he's making a joke around, like, s'mores and stuff, but yeah. Either way, that's not to make jokes around people and stuff, it's just like, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, if he's gone, then I don't know where he's gone, but participant still says he's here. Where can you see participants? Is that a thing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I did not know that. That is a useful thing. Thank you for pointing that out, Foozy. Yeah, just basically everyone calm down. Everyone stop making jokes around everyone else and stuff unless you know that it's fine. Just, like, everyone just calm down. Wait, both accounts are still here when you put it suggests both the accounts. Huh. I did not know that was a thing. I didn't even know the, like, participants page was a thing. Huh. I might actually need to use that in the future then, because that's actually very useful. Brains and... okay, right, so Fire Fun Time is still here then. Because that's the thing, I was also wondering if the, I was wondering if the, thing would be delayed and stuff. Foozy's smartness is whatever that number is. I can't be bothered to count the number of zeros. Right, anyway, I've been ignoring this. Right. Hit object dot change colon connect brackets function, another pair of brackets. And what we're gonna do, if hit object dot value equals true, then we are going to, I think you can disable the script. I think if you disable the script, it's not going to work again, is it? Actually, it shouldn't matter, I don't think. Actually, no, it will very much matter. Right, so what I'm going to do is insert another boolean value. This one is going to be called exploded, and what exploded is going to be is something to make sure that this doesn't explode multiple times. So local exploded equals projectile dot exploded, and then we're going to basically do if exploded dot value equals false, then exploded dot value equals true, and then what is the next part? What is the next part? Explode.value equals true, and then I need to work out how I'm going to do the explode. So I can do particles colon emit, and then I can basically tell it to emit a certain number of particles, and that's how we're going to make it look like it suddenly explodes. Projectile, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change projectile so that it looks, so that it basically looks like it's exploded. So I'm going to change it to like neon orange and the material to neon. So projectile dot name equals explosion. We're going to do projectile dot anchored equals true. Projectile dot material equals enum dot material dot neon. Oh wait, oh, S'mores is going. Okay, bye S'mores. Right, so projectile.material equals enum dot is it always this chaotic in Pineapple's chat? Not normally. You occasionally end up with moments like this and stuff, which is kind of problematic. That's the thing. This is one of those things where it's like, it will only happen to smaller channels and stuff. Because of course, if you have a channel that has thousands of viewers every stream and stuff, you've got tons of viewers in every stream, all commenting at once, then it's like the chat moves so fast, nothing like this can really happen. You can't end up with arguments happening because no one can really read the chat long enough. But then, like, with smaller channels and stuff where there is only one person posting, like, every few seconds and stuff, so it's like, conversations are actually happening. In some ways it's good, because it means, like, I can engage with the chat more. This is why with a lot of big streamers and stuff, you'll often notice your message doesn't get read unless you donate or something, and that's because donated messages go somewhere else. But for the average comment, it just gets moved up in chat by all of the other comments getting posted below. So it's like, in some ways, I like having a smaller chat, because it means I can engage with people more, and I don't have to have a timeout on it as well. I don't have to have a, like, delay on it. Because, annoyingly, if there's a delay, it's, like, it's really hard to actually maintain a conversation with the chat. Because, of course, if I'm going, oh, like, Cayenne, how was your day? Then you can't respond for, like, another minute after I know that you're here, because you're still on your, like, chat cooldown and stuff. So it's like, I don't like the chat, like, cooldown and everything like that. But it's like, once you become a bigger streamer, do you need that? Oh, you're back? Well, welcome back, S'mores. Well, welcome back. Is he here? I don't know. Participants, you can check participants if you want. I've just broken my chat. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's back. It's back. My chat's back. Right, Cayenne? Yeah, Cayenne. Or am I pronouncing that completely wrong? Is it Kian or Cayenne? Like, E or I noise? Is it like the E or I? I'm very bad at names. This is something that will be a trend across my channel for, like, the rest of time. I could just refer to you as CLS, couldn't I? CLS would probably be easier. Anyway, right. Projectile dot brick color equals brick color dot new, and then neon, not neon green, no, neon orange. Oh no, is that another thing? How do I get what is it? It's called neon orange. Yeah, it's definitely called neon orange. Hold on. So neon orange, there it is. Okay, don't know why that didn't appear for a second. What are you talking about, fun time? Who's on me? Right, if this is going to turn into an argument, like, let's not argue, please. Right. So this is going to be for count equals 1 to how long do we want this to go? Because whatever number this is, divide it by 30 and that's how long the explosion's going to last. So Captain, are you a fan of Formula 1? If so, I'm playing F1 2022 with Wheel. Short answer of how well it's going, not great. I've never been too much of a fan of F1, I will admit. Like, I don't know. To me, I've always seen it as racing in a circle, but then again, it's like everyone has different interests. I find coding interesting. And you can rest assured that there are thousands of people in the world who would look at this and go, it's just text. There's nothing fun about that. So it's like everyone has different interests. Right, 4 count, 1, 2... I don't know, 200 would last for almost 6 seconds. Okay, not 200. If I go 100... No, wait. Right, 30 would make this 1 second. So I'm gonna go with 60. Do. And we want projectile dot size equals vector3 dot new projectile dot size. No, wait, hold on. Can I remove that? Equals projectile dot size plus vector3 dot new 0.1 0.1. It's sometimes fun, but sometimes kind of dull. I don't know if we're talking about F1 or coding there. Right, and then I'm gonna do wait, and then at the end of it, projectile colon destroy. So what I am hoping to see with this, is if I copy that and paste it into projectiles. And then in launch projectile, we are just going to change this to 3. And then it was F1, right? Okay. And then if I what is that hitting? What is that? Wait, yeah, what is that hitting? That shouldn't be hitting anything that triggers it to do that. What if I launch it down there? That's fine. Is it having a problem with the indicators or the... What? What is there that's getting in its way? Why is it exploding there? Why is it exploding there? Right, because not only... Is it the indicators? No, because it's exploding in, like, the same place each time. I'm gonna go, Pineapple. I might be back. Okay, goodbye, Fire Fun Time. Have a Fire Fun Time. I will. Now I gotta wait for food to be cooked at night. What? Oh, right. I'm so hungry, and then someone said go eat then. Why is it exploding there? Because it doesn't explode if you launch it down there. Like, it's fine if you launch it down there. Fine if you launch it that way, and that way, and that way, and that way. It's just... For some reason, if you just launch it this way, it has a problem. But then sometimes it can break through. If you launch enough at once, it can break through. What is causing it to explode there? Actor and social media star Leslie Jordan died at 67, won an Emmy in 2006 on which sitcom? Wait, are we doing a... Are we doing a, thing, a trivia quiz? I don't even know who Leslie Jordan is, I'm sorry. Why is it exploding there? Why is it exploding there? What is happening? Why is it exploding there? Right. There it's fair, because that's... right, explode projectile. Explode that. Right. I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna do wait 3. So it'll take 3 seconds for the explosion to be triggered. Why is it exploding there? It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be exploding there. Because the function can't even trigger at that point. Like, it has to wait 3 seconds before it can even explode. Oh, wait. No, that's still wrong. That's still wrong. Because the whole explosion script shouldn't happen unless hitObject.value is true. So that should never happen. Because hit value is false until it hits an object. Like, does it do it on, like, is it happening here on... Why is it... And that one didn't even explode. Oh, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Projectile 3. Hit object. Explode projectile. Oh, script. Hold on. Damage part. If hit.name equals launched projectile. I'm so confused. So confused. So confused. Really confused. I'm gonna take a second to think about this. I'm gonna take a second just to think about this. I will be back. back. What's happening? What about static noises? Wait, was my mic making that weird static noise? Also see the rest of the song is called Bensound. No, that is not the name of the song. The song isn't called Benjamin Tissot. That's the artist. Yes, for a little. Right, okay. Oh, that's so annoying. I thought that problem was fixed. Because I thought it was something with the device driver. Dang it. I actually thought I fixed that problem because it hasn't even appeared for a few, like, weeks now. Oh, why, Mike? Why? Well, I'm sorry, it's not the name of the song. Benjamin Tissot is the artist. Right, anyway, there we go. Let's remove that now. So I did some thinking about why it wasn't working, and I got nothing. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. Pineapple, I don't know the songs you use. It's in the look. If I'm gonna mute the desktop audio so you don't get too music again. Right, look down there in the bottom left corner. You see where it says Jazzy Frenchy and then Bensound? That's the song. That's what that song is. So if you're talking about that song, then that's Jazzy Frenchy by Bensound. The intro music is Sunrise in Paris by Dan Henig, or Henig, however you want to say it. And then the outro song is Mama by Emmit Fenn. There we go, Emmit Fenn. And the background music, the background music is what is it? It's music done. Just said bum. Oh my gosh! It's music done by someone called ChillHippo, and it is linked in the description. So yeah. Also, yeah. If you look in the description, it's all linked there and everything. So it's always I will always do the songs in the order of I will always do the songs in order of the name of the song, then the artist. I'm gonna go now. See you next stream. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Derek. Yeah, right. I have no idea why this isn't working. I don't know why this this explosion isn't working, because the main thing that's confusing me is the fact that there's wait 3 here. Like, it says to wait 3 seconds here. So, I don't know why... Like, oh wait, okay, so there isn't a wait value, but even still, that's not fixing the actual problem. Why is the explosion triggering? I don't know what is triggering the explosion at that point, right there. Just in front of it. It's, for some reason, in front of it this way, seems to have like a 50-50 chance of blowing it up. But if you go that way, or anything like that, it's completely fine. It's just that way. And for some reason, if you spam it, they can get through. I don't know why. I don't know why. Check around it, there isn't anything there though, that's the thing. I can highlight here. The only thing in that whole area is the aim part. There is nothing else there. What's that game? This is the second minigame. It's just basically Angry Birds. And currently I'm trying to work out why my explosion projectile is doing that. The only other thing I can think of is it's the mouse selection box, but even still, it shouldn't be that, and I don't know why it's occasionally doing that. So, right, if I take the mouse selection box, where is it? Where is it? Mouse collision, here, sorry, not selection, mouse collision. Right, I'm gonna take this, we're gonna move it 100 studs back, we're gonna move it 100 studs back, and we're gonna see what happens. Because if it explodes while launching over this way again, which it is, there's something about it being here. There's something about launching this way. I don't know why. Your mic is doing noise. I'm hoping. Did that fix it? Has that at all fixed it? There goes the mic. That sounds like it's fixed it. Or it looks like it's fixed it. My output volume looks normal. Yes, it's fixed. Right, brilliant. Annoying thing is that that's cut off my no background sound. Oh right, that's not just me then. Oh yeah, it literally has. It's cut it out. It's actually, I thought that was just my end. No, it's literally it's cut out on my side as well. Why has it done that? Hello? It's desktop audio. For some reason desktop audio has stopped. Why is desktop audio... Why has it done that? Why is desktop audio completely stopped? Desktop audio has literally stopped. Oh, why is that on that side? Right, open up the settings, please. Hello? Settings? Thank you. Settings. System. It's never done that before. It's never cut itself out with desktop audio. Right, sound. Output. Speakers. Troubleshoot? No, that's not what I wanted you to do. Why is there no output? Because yeah, you're not the only ones like not hearing anything. I'm not hearing anything. Can I hear other stuff? If I unmute the stream, can I hear myself? You're not the only one. Yes, I can. I can hear myself. And I assume that output... Did that output? Why is it grayed out? Why is there no desktop audio? Advanced audio properties. Monitor only. Hold on. Right. Monitor and output, and then monitor only mute output. I literally can't hear anything. Hello? Hi, Foozy. File. Settings. Audio. That's just output audio. Advanced. Aha. Wait, no, that's monitoring device. What has just happened? How has my desktop audio gone completely silent? How has my desktop audio just cut out completely? But on OBS only. Like, it's not my headphones. What has just happened? What on earth has just happened? If I go audio. Right. Global audio devices. Speakers. Hello? No? No? Not happening? What has happened? Like, I can see that puts in technical difficulties me. What has happened? I'm so confused. I am so confused. Because it is literally just cut out. Like, It's not even sensing desktop audio. Why? Why has it stopped sensing desktop audio entirely? Because it's not just your end, it's stopped outputting for me as well. So unless, right, this is set to monitor only and mute output, right. There we go, that's brought it back. I think I've done it. Properties and then go through all the different options. Yeah, it wasn't that for some reason. There we go. Right, it's come back. That was odd. I don't know. I don't know what on earth was up with that. That was really weird. That was really weird. Why have I got an incoming friend request from Darth Vader on Discord? Why have I got an incoming friend request from Darth Vader on Discord? What game am I making? We are making a game that has a bunch of smaller mini games in it. Oh, that's you. You're Darth Vader. Right, okay. Actually, hold on. If you found me, then I'm hoping that means that the Discord link works. Smores, does that mean that the Discord link on the channel works or something? Darth Vader wants to know your location. Why did that one launch? Why are they getting all the way over there now? Why are they doing that? What? Why are they getting all of the way over? What changed? Absolutely nothing. Nothing changed there. Nothing changed. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Half of game design is code, the other half is tears. What? Where are you from? I'm from the UK. Also, welcome, Fancy Bacon. I like the name. You've got a verified tick. Why? Pineapple, I had Toad in the Hole. I love Toad in the Hole. That one was even closer. That one just exploded on the part. 315 subs right now. What? I'm sorry, what? Excuse me? Excuse me? You did what? 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 How? What? No. No. What? 315. Foozy, what is Toad in the Hole? I'm sorry, do you guys not know what Toad in the Hole is? Do you guys not know what Toad in the Hole is? Guys, that's disappointing. Hold on, Toad in the Hole. I don't want a picture of an actual toad in a hole. Toad in the Hole. Right, okay, I'm sorry. This is really off topic. Toad in the Hole. It's sausages, just like in a pastry, basically. It's this, Toad in the Hole. This is what it is. Sausages in a pastry. That's what that is. Okay, anyway, let's close that. You never had that? Oh, you're from the US. Makes sense. We've just gone up as well. It's now 316. Apparently showing Toad in the Hole earned me another subscriber. I don't know how, but sure. 6 new subscribers in one stream. That's quite insane. Oh, I think I know who it is as well. New subscriber. How do I say that? I'm really sorry. I've got a notification for the new subscriber. Urzikstan Mapper, I think that's said correctly. Toad in the Hole is a very pub food. It is a very pub food, but it's nice. It's nice. Darth Vader wants to show photos of my games. Yep, there you go. I've accepted a friend request from Darth Vader. Right, anyway, so, why is this not working? That was completely not where I wanted to launch. Why is it working now? Why? Why is it working now? What? Why? Why is it just if I wait a minute, it just works? Why? Why? This is why? Why are none of them on Google in Yorkshire pudding and gravy? I don't know. You know, that is a good question, Fousey. Where is the gravy? Anyway. Like and sub or I will give you nightmares. Guys, maybe don't threaten people into subscribing. I'm sure they're very happy just subscribing by themselves. Right, why does this not work? Like, this is one of those moments where, like, your solution to the problem is just test it and see if it breaks again. That's my solution right now. BRB, I'm gonna switch PCs. Okay, s'mores. Why am I saying it like s'mores? It's probably s'mores. Why am I saying it like s'mores? Yeah, this is one of those times where my solution to the problem is just test it and see if it works again. And by the looks of it, it's not working. This is very much not working. I did the weird, what? It's how we do it in other people's streams, I meant? Oh, right. Why? Like, I can launch it over there. It launches fine over there. It's perfectly fine. Those are some bombs that are getting launched very far. But, like, why? Actually, just why? Why? I'm so confused. So confused. I kept pressing enter instead of the thingy. Oh right, instead of backspace. Fousey and Python may be British, but remember half Polish, half Portuguese, so I eat dishes from those countries as well. I know! But Toad in the Hole, come on, it's just good. It's good. It's made with, like, 5 ingredients. I mean, I remember I saw a thing. Look, now it's working again. It's a minute later and it's suddenly working again. Why? But it's Toad in the Hole! I bet my mom doesn't know that either. Get your mom to know it and go find a recipe for Toad in the Hole and try it. It's just nice. It may also be bland because it's British, but it's nice. Alright, I need to take a break. That's fair. That's fair. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. Why is this not working until like a minute after it's loaded, at which point this magical barrier just suddenly disappears? Why? Why? This is so unfair. This is so unfair. Just go to the local pub and get a Toad in the Hole. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I want to hit that bomb. Yes, I hit it. Why is it? Why? Just why? Like, that's just the only thing I can ask. Just why? Why is it exploding as soon as it launches, but it's fine 2 seconds after? It's fine 2 seconds after, but like, then it... I'm so confused. It'll have it, but it's obvious. Wait, it will have it, but it's so obvious it's not on the menu. Oh my gosh, right. I've been to the pub near me and it doesn't have that. That's why I don't know this. Even still, it's toad in the hole. It's like generic British food. And the generic trend of my game seems to be that it doesn't work. What is up with the bombs? Why do they explode there? Oh my gosh. Captain, please enjoy your bad moment. Just why? Dominite, do you know what toad in the hole is? It's a chippy and then toad in the hole. And a full English breakfast. You can't forget the full English breakfast. But why is it exploding there? The weird part is it explodes there, but then for some reason just like it's completely fine after like a minute. And I don't know why. Is it just because it's like is there for some reason some sort of hidden part that's there? I don't know. I actually don't know. What are all of these parts? What are these? Oh, that's that. Right, okay. Let's group those. This is... right, one of those is the enemy. There we go. Right, group. This is spawn. Spawn. There we go. Right. What are these two parts? That is another part that belongs in spawn. Okay. Then there's the ground. Then there's that part. This is going to be called night for now. Then what else is there? There's aim part. There is camera part. There is enemy. There is ice. There is mouse collision. There is the ground, there is the night, there is the projectile 1, 2, and 3, there's stone, there's terrain, there's more terrain, and there's wood. And then there's the selection box. What is this selection box? Let's remove that. Current birds, right. Where is that bird? That bird is there, that's fine. Current level. All of that is fine. Power level. Launch power, and that's all fine. Score is fine. So, where, like, is there anything new that is for some reason being added? It feels like wait, yeah. Something's being added. Wait, what's being added? Oh, it's indicators. Indicators are being added. But there's nothing... There's nothing in front of the thing, still. There's still nothing in front. There's the mouse collisions, projectiles, stone, terrain... Wait. What was that? That's the wood. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Captain, do you like obby? Oh wait. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Let's see. Wait. Which obby? What obby? What obby are we referring to? I mean, oh wait, oh, are you just asking if I like obbies? I like obbies as long as they're, like, unique enough, sort of. Because, I mean, like, sometimes you do get fairly generic obbies. But, like, if they're unique enough, then, yeah, I'll happily do an obby. Why, like, unless current level... Is it loading in something that shouldn't be there? Because from what I can tell, no, it's not. But for some reason, it's just exploding there. Why? Pineapple, do you have crisps with pasta bake? Just normal pasta bake. Crisps with pasta bake? pasta bake is normally something I would eat at dinner. And I don't have crisps when I'm eating dinner. So no. You like making obby? I don't think I've ever made... Actually, no, that's a lie. I did once start making an obby thing. That was actually a cool idea. Maybe I should revisit that. Right, also, I would like to point out, it's been like half an hour and I've been sitting here staring at this problem that I still can't fix. Because I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on with it. I actually don't know why it's triggering. I don't know why the explosion is triggering. Because, with all reasoning, it shouldn't. It just shouldn't. Because the projectiles thing, it goes on a function. The exploding projectile, it goes on a function. And that function, like, this is the code that makes it explode. This is the exploding code, here. And this code can only trigger when the hit object value changes to true. So why is it triggering when that isn't true? Why is it doing that? That's what I can't work out. It shouldn't be doing that when the value isn't true. No, my mum puts crunched up barbecue crisps in pasta bake. It adds so much flavour to it. Huh. That's something I don't think I could convince my family to try. Maybe I'll try it when I'm older and can cook on my own. Why does it not work? Why does it not work? Have you ever had a spoonful of Nutella? That is called teeth decay. Or tooth decay. Tooth decay it's a singular word, isn't it? Tooth. Yeah, I actually can't work out why it's exploding. I actually cannot work it out. Like, I actually can't work it out. Unless, like, hit object is secretly a function or something that I don't know. That is called diabetes. I mean, yeah, that's not the healthiest thing. Why does this not work? Why does this not work? That is just what I can't work out. Why does this not work? I can't work out why. Like, it's sort of weird. Wait, I've just realised something. Hold on, guys, we're going off topic again. But this is important. This is important. I'm sorry, I have to search up Spidey's channel. Right, guys. We're close. We're close. If you don't know, me and Spidey, we have a bit of friendly competition that I'm the only one that knows about it. Actually, no, right, okay, so that's actually quite funny, because literally only a few weeks ago, I pointed out to him that I was catching up in subscribers, and he said, no, you're not gonna overtake me, and I have caught up to him by 19 subscribers in around a week. I've caught up to him in around a week. I'm just 3 behind now at this point. What if the past 2 streams done so well? Clearly making an original game is good. But why is this wrong? I'm sorry, it's all gonna come back to this. Why is it exploding? Why is it exploding? This is the question that we must all ask in our hearts, guys. Why is this bomb exploding before it's supposed to? Why am I not able to design a bomb? Why is making a bomb so difficult? Wanna know something? You only have just passed me in subs my old channel? Really? Huh. Interesting. Oh wait, I've just realised I've completely blown my friend out the water. Guys, we're going off topic again. I've sat here for like an hour just talking about this bomb and talking about the fact that I've overtaken my friend. Right, okay, this is my friend. Yesterday, we overtook him, and we had a very fun exchange. I pointed it out to him as a bit of, like, you know, friendly competition. So, out of spite, he unsubscribed. Wait, Pineapple, you have friends? Fousey? 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 What was that for? Okay, BRB, I'm switching PC. You'll join studio and help me? I mean, so far this solo thing. I thought I was the only one. Fousey? Right, anyway, yeah, so anyway, I overtook my friends in subscribers. Am I now the top one out of my friend group? I don't know. Knight, you know what friends I'm on about. Oh, am I now the top one out of, like, all of us? Am I the top one? I don't know. Oh, why is this? Why does this not work? Why? I'm gonna do my basic test again, which is run it without making any changes and see what happens. It still doesn't work. Okay. Right, you know what? I'm gonna put a print thing in there. I'm gonna put a print value in there. So what we're gonna do, we are going to tell this print hit. No, wait, I don't need quotation mark. Print hit object dot value. We're gonna tell it to print that. Pineapple, you are the highest. Yes! Right, okay. Sorry, I'm so humble, aren't I? Why is it true? Oh gosh, I've just unplugged my headphones. Oops. Sorry. Let me plug those back in. That probably very nearly broke them. Why is the value true? Why is the value true? Why? Why is the value true? This is why. I don't know. I don't know at this point. Why? Why is the value true? Can we get much higher? What, in subscribers? I mean, I'd hope so. I hope it doesn't just like cap off here and then stop. Why is the value true? Why is it changing to true? It's not hitting anything. It's not hitting anything that should cause that, so what is it doing? Unless, wait, aim part, hold on. No, there's no collision script in it. There's no collision script or anything. There's nothing like that. So why? Oh my gosh. Pineapple, I'm gonna get higher than you in subs if I spam out shorts. I put out 2 shorts, like, in 2 days, and the second one completely failed. I don't know why. YouTube just didn't like that one. Reaper of the Haters, welcome. You've joined us after an hour of sitting here, wondering why this doesn't work. Austin sucks at everything. How are you doing? OMD, I'm making a game, building everything is amazing, but scripts are so bad. Yeah, scripts are really bad. Half of game design, I will always say this, is coding and pain. Or tears. They're kind of interchangeable, those two, the pain and tears. Actually, no. 25% coding, 25% building, and then 50% pain and tears. Maybe even higher than 50%. I don't know. Right. Why is this true? Why is that value becoming true after everything? Like, what is it doing? The only thing I can think is hit object is just, like, secretly a thing. But it shouldn't be. So, let's change it to hit part, and see what happens. Probably nothing different. But we might as well try it, you know? We might as well try it because I haven't changed anything in the code for the past, like, hour, and I've just been staring at this problem. Play. This is not going to work. If it does, then I'm very confused. It doesn't work. See? Told you, everyone. Why? Why does it not work? Why? Why is my chair making noises as well? Like, the value is changing. That's the interesting part. The fact that the value is changing. Because it's not just it's waiting for the script to be, or it's not just waiting for that value to become true. It's waiting for it to change and become true. Meaning something is triggering the hit object value to become true. Something is triggering that. And the only thing in the script that can trigger that is this. This is the only part that can trigger that. Can you give me a theme for my new Roblox game? I mean, what do you mean by theme? Do you mean like a genre, like horror? Or do you want like a theme like playground or something? If you want both, then go with a horror game in a playground. I don't know what kind of content to make. I enjoy Minecraft and Roblox, but then those split into more subsections. What should I do? Fuzi, I'm sorry, but I don't know. Yo, Pineapple, when did we hit 316? Earlier today, in the stream. How amazing. It's just gone up to 317 as well, so, clearly we're doing well today. That's 7 subscribers in one stream. Thank you, everyone. Like, seriously. Bottom of my heart there, thank you. And also, the best part, we're only 3 away from beating Spidey. Anyway. Pineapple, did you see my comment? No. I did not. Well, which comment are we referring to? Because there's multiple comments from you. Like simulator and first person shooter. I sub to you since you're entertaining. Thank you, Austin. I don't know. Try and go. I don't know. Actually, I'm not good at coming up with game ideas. You know what? Right, Austin. If you're stuck on ideas, do what I do. Make an awful remake of something. Like, for example, this. This was an awful remake of Angry Birds. And for some reason now it's just completely stopped working, like, entirely. But it's just, that's what I always do. The last one before that question. The one about me having more subs than you. Like, yeah, I saw that. What was I... I do not like this. I just completely melted into my chair there. Right. So, for any of you that are wondering what just made me completely die inside there. So, in here we have a damage part. It's a very useful bit of code there. So we have damage part. What damage part does is it checks if what it hits is called launched projectile. if it is called launched projectile, then it will search, or it will go into its properties, or its children, as it's referred to, and it will find the value hit object over here to the right. And it will then go to hit object's value and set it to true. When hit object becomes true, for projectile number 3, it will explode. What I just did was I invalidated these 3 lines. These 3 lines of code here, I cut them out. I invalidated them. They're no longer being read. Somehow that fixed it. Which makes no sense. No sense at all. What does make sense is why it's only exploding when we launched it this way. Because for some reason it's detecting a collision with this wooden board when it's here. That's what it's doing. That's what it is doing. The distance between those two things is around 80 studs. I don't know what sort of collision involves hitting something when you're 80 studs away, but sure. Is there any way you can like help me for the scripts, or anyone in chat? I'm confused as anything. I mean, it depends on what sort of scripts, because I'm not good with that many types of scripts. Like, you will notice a lot of the stuff that I do in Roblox Studio in these, like, streams and everything is very similar to what has been done before. Wait, there'll be a kind of bad word now, but I'm sorry, Captain. Domini, if you post a bad word, YouTube just blocks it. I can't even see it. I recommend Alvin Blocks. I do not recommend Alvin Blocks. I hate Alvin Blocks' tutorials. I'm not even lying there. I hate them. Sort of. Alvin Blocks, he's a good person. He's good. He's good. Sure. Right, Alvin Blocks, he's a kid. Don't want to be mean. He makes good tutorials. His tutorials are useful. What I don't like with Alvin Blocks is a lot of the stuff I have seen, a lot of his scripts have been highly inefficient in some ways, which, that's fine. My scripts aren't efficient, this stuff isn't efficient. I feel like Alvin Blocks is a good, like, starting point. Like, it's good, but my problem with Alvin Blocks is, like, or at least, who knows, maybe he's changed, because I haven't watched him in, like, years. The scripts have never seemed efficient to me, because I read them and it's like, he has so many lines of code where it's just like, you don't need that, you can cut that out, that bit is useless and stuff. Like, I know that he always, like, debugs everything as well, he puts, like, debug after every single line, or at least this is last time I saw him. I think he's fine now, probably. If it's still the same, I would not personally watch Alvin Blocks for my tutorials, because it's just, I don't know, it's never been, like, efficient. I've always found more efficient scripts and stuff. Oh, this message is held for review, and it's by a channel that has a very suspicious name, and it's got a message going, oh, private dating chat girls. Something tells me that that's a bot. We're gonna hide that comment. Okay. Is UGC easy? UGC is something you need to be in the UGC program for, which I've considered getting into it, but I couldn't come up with anything. But yeah. Right. So, I don't know what to do, because for some reason it's detecting the collision 80 studs away. I don't know. Also, I just realised I went on a full rant about Alvin Blogs. If you want to watch Alvin Blogs, then fine. Like, you can follow, you can watch Alvin Blogs and stuff. Personally, I don't use him. I always go, like, with someone called Tech with Mike. Tech with Mike was quite good. I will admit though, Alvin Blogs, he is good. His code is fine. It's just maybe a bit inefficient. So, you know what? I'll take back what I said. Alvin Blogs, like, his code is fine, it works. It's maybe not as efficient as it could be, but who cares, really? It's Roblox. Roblox can handle inefficient scripts quite well. Yeah. I mean, some of his stuff is good, some of his stuff is bad. That's just the best way to put it. I recommend Tech with Mike, though. Who's the other one? Is Shaisu still uploading? Does Shaisu still do Roblox tutorials? Because he used to do them, but I watched it, but he does the typing script so quick it's hard to keep up. That's the other problem. Although, right, we do have to admit though, no matter what, Alvin Blogs is all of these like tutorial YouTubers and stuff. All of them that actually like type stuff with you and everything, they are all going to be better than those ones that are just like, okay guys, so here's how to make a car. So first you want to go into the toolbox, you want to search up car model, and then you want to drag it in. So look, you just click on vehicles, and then you drag this in, and there, boom, you've got a car. Because that is like 90% of the tutorials you see for Roblox, and it's just like, what? Right. So, I'm going to put a weight value in here. I'm going to put a weight 3. I'm going to put weight 3. And I don't know if this is going to fix the problem, really. Well, it would help if I actually enabled some of the damage stuff as well. So, I'm going to put weight 3, and this is basically going to put a 3-second fuse on the thing. But, like, I joined your game and I am in a plane. Yeah, that is one of the games that we sort of... Did that actually explode? Right. Shift P. Where'd it go? Where's the bomb gone? Where is it? Where did it go? Hello? I need a collision, right? Okay, it works. It works. Sort of. I'm on my other PC now. Hello, welcome back, S'mores. Right, S'mores, I have to ask. How do you want me to pronounce it? Because I realised that, like, after you left, I realised for the first, like, up until you left, I was referring to you as S'mores, and I don't know why. So is it s'mores or s'mores? Because I'm gonna be honest, it's quite fun to say s'mores, but like, it's probably s'mores. It's gone? What's gone? S'more. Right, okay, s'more. Okay. I don't... just say any. Okay. I don't know why my brain automatically went to s'mores, though. Like, if someone would like to point out... Pineapple, I found, Wait, Pineapple, I found a Twitter that just posts frames from SpongeBob episodes in order. What, like individual frames? Does it just go one by one through all of the frames in the episodes? Is that what it does? That's a lot of work. That is a lot of work. Oh my god. Right, anyway, that sort of worked. It's like a full episode. What, just frame by frame? How many frames is that? Like, I don't know what FPS SpongeBob episodes go at, but like, they're what are they? They're like 20 to 30 minute episodes, aren't they? They're like 20 to 30 minute episodes, I'm pretty sure. And like, let's assume that they go at 30, because 15 is quite a low frame rate for a TV show. Well, assuming they go at 30 frames per second for like a 20-minute video, that's a lot. Right. Alright, making my game while listening to you. That is cool. I found that multiple people seem to do that. Right. Pineapple, do you know my first ever video on my channel? You've probably told me about it before, and I have probably forgotten. There's the honest truth. Now, if you want the dishonest lie, yes, I definitely remember that video. It's still getting views. Oh, right, okay, I do remember that video then. Captain, can I help you with this game? I'll contact you for help if I need it. Currently, everything I need is sort of done. You know what I actually think I'm gonna do? What I think I'm gonna do? I want to make something. So in aim part, I want to put an object value. Object value. And what this is going to be, this is going to be called next projectile. And what I'm going to do with this, so in the launch projectile script, what I am going to do is local next projectile equals part dot next projectile, and then what I can do is next projectile dot value clone, and here is where I think I'm going to try something. I want to try something. So what I am going to do, in starter GUI, I am going to insert a image button. This is going to be called projectile 1, and I want to try something. I want to try something that might be a bit stupid, maybe, but it could be a bit fun as well. So anchor point, oh gosh, right. Anchor point, we are going to set this to 1 and 0.5, I think. Actually no, set it to 0, So what it's doing is it's anchoring from that little corner there. And then at position, we're going to put it all the way at the bottom of the screen. Its size, we're going to put 0.1. That may be a bit too big. Okay, let's go 0.075. Actually, maybe 0.05? Yeah, that works. And then, let's go with 0.1 there. Okay, that sort of works. You know what? Yeah. Oh, wait. 0. Let's go with 4. 3. Okay, 0.3. No, that's 2. Dang it. I can't type. 0.3. I give you my Roblox user. What, like, in the chat? That may not be best, because anyone can then see it. Right. So, what we want to do then is scale type is going to be fit. Yeah, fit. And then background transparency we're going to set to 1. And border pixel size to 0. And here is where we get a bit interesting. So I want to design something cool. So I'm going to click File New. I know that you can't see what I'm doing. Right, so width is going to be 1000, and then height I'm going to make 1500, I think. That is actually perfect ratio, except I need a transparent background. So there we go, full transparency. Right, and we're bringing it back over. Look at that. Right, view, grid. Oh gosh, that is a lot of that's a lot of grid. So I just realised my favourite grey colour that I use is gone. That's annoying. That is very annoying. Right. Wait, I might be able to do UGC. I know that it's something that you need to sign up for, and it's like occasionally they'll put out messages going, hey, we're looking for more people in the UGC program. I have considered it. I will admit that. I have considered, like, trying to join the UGC program and everything. Mainly just because I want to make my own hats and stuff for things that aren't there. But, like, I don't know, I can't think of what I would actually make as, like, my introduction thing. Because it's, like, basically what they do is they ask you to, send, like, file, a 3D model of the sort of thing you want to make in the UGC program. And the one thing that they always recommend is don't do a top hat. Do not do a top hat. Because a top hat, everyone does a top hat, and everyone can do a top hat, so if you do a top hat, you're not getting into the program. So that's the one thing that they always recommend. It's like, yeah, it's one of those things where, like, maybe I would do it, but at the same time, like, I don't know, it's a lot of effort for something that probably wouldn't be worth it in the end for me. I don't know. Maybe one day. Maybe. Now they're adding, turning on hinge lights. Turning on hinge lights? What? Wait, added that to what? Wait. Oh wait, Pineapple, my dad called me now, he told me saying it was something nice. Close playground, close... Wait. Dad told the closer playground, closer house. They changed new lights after 2008 building day. Oh, what? So they've added more lights to the playground. That's cool. Right, so if I do that, and then use the erase tool, I can remove that, and then I want to add trim, and then I need a colour, so I'm gonna need some sort of like nice golden colour, like that. And then we're gonna do stroke selection 15 pixels, like that. There we go, that's quite nice. And then I need to draw an icon for our object. That's what I need. I need to draw an icon for our object. And I think I'm gonna do this in a fun way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna like just do that. Then if I get the snipping tool, I can get just a nice screenshot of this area. Actually, that's not quite like just get a screenshot of this area. Maybe I should center it a bit. I should probably like center on that line. There we go, and move it forward a bit, like that. There we go, that's good. Right, and what I can do, if I highlight that section, then open this up again, paste it in, and then I'm basically just going to scale it so that it fits, in. It's just a matter of lining that up. And line it up there, like that. There we go. Right, and put that in. Put it below those. Then rectangle select and highlight those. Then select the invert of it. And what I can do is I can erase the edges so that it doesn't peek out of the corners, like that. And this is sort of going to be our card base, so if I remove the grid, that is sort of going to be the card base. I've forgotten what my name means. Wait, oh wait, you don't remember what CLS stands for. You don't know what... Wait, you don't know what CLS stands for. I don't know, let's come up with a... Is the word acronym? Is that what the word is? Is the word acronym? Because I don't actually remember. Is it acronym? Now I've got a... Acronym... Acronym. An abbreviation formed by the initial letters of words pronounced as a word. So, e.g. ASCII or NASA. Right, okay, it is acronym. I was correct with that. Okay, so we've got to come up with... We have to come up with the meaning of CLS. What could it be? Pineapple, how do you do team create? You need to do it in settings. Actually, I can show you, can't I? So if I go into this, game settings, permissions, and also you would need to turn on team create here. So team create, you would turn it on, then you would go to game settings and type in the username of the people that you want to give permissions to. That's what you would do basically. Right, and this is going to be called projectile. This is a lot of effort to do what I am trying to do. Like, a lot of effort. So, where is roughly the center? Or it doesn't need to be central, actually. It can be a bit off. So, let's go 3 in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 8. And then I need it to be circular, so that would bring it up to there. Yep, because that's 500 by 500. Right. And what we're going to do, we're going to pick grey, like that. And then we go. And then I can put, projectile decor. This is gonna be a very cartoony drawing. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just want a distraction from the troubles of designing the rest of it, sort of. So here we go, and then we can. Okay, that's very dark. I do not want it that dark. Let's go like that, maybe. And it's too big still, so I'm gonna half the size of that. And then just like put some cracks in it. Like that. There we go. And this is gonna be our generic it's gonna be our generic one, and I'm gonna give it an outline. So projectile outline. There we go. And I'm gonna select the color. And then right, so this, edit, stroke selection. Do I do it with 15? Actually, you know what? I should do it with the color that I just did the decoration on. So there we go. Right. Edit, stroke section, like that. Look at that. So that is going to be the card for our very basic rock. So if you want to chuck a rock at someone, you pick that card. Does anyone know why I cannot select a certain object in Studio? Is it locked, Foozy? So Foozy, this is something that is occasionally useful, but most of the time just a really annoying thing. So up here, click lock. Just click it once, and you can lock objects, and then click it again to disable it. And look at that, you cannot select that now unless you go in from the properties menu, and then you do the same to unlock it. That's the only thing I can recommend. No? Brilliant. Right. I'm about to invite you, S'mores. Oh! We should all make a game together, guys. I don't know what that game would be. Right, I'm going to export this quickly. So, file, export. This is going to be projectile projectile 1, card 1. Because that's what these are going to be referred to. They're going to be referred to as cards. And now, right, we are going to change it now. So we are going to change this to oh wait, it was in a group. Oh, right. So what I am going to do now is make one that's more like a bomb. I am literally doing this to procrastinate doing other work, so right, snap to grid and do that. And then we can fill it in with maybe a gradient would be good. I think a gradient. So if we go from like one corner to the other, this corner is transparent for some reason. So, need to pick a colour, like a light grey, like that, and then a darker grey there. Then projectile decor, we don't need any, so I can just erase that. Projectile outline, we need to firstly remove the old outline and then do another stroke selection over it. So actually we need to colour as well. So if I pick that colour, I think this would actually work quite well for this one. Stroke selection like that. There we go. And I should stick a little, okay, you know what? We are going to put decoration on it. So I'm going to turn off the grid. And what I'm going to do, actually no, I do need the grid for a bit. Snap to grid and show grid. What I am going to do, I am going to, hold on, I've got a, no, oh my gosh, I hate when that detaches, because then I need to go to Windows, Toolbox, no, dockable dialogues, tool options, there we go, that's how I need to bring it back, and I hate that. Right, so, if I have that selected again, so let's go like this and fill it in. That actually works quite well. And just remove the bit that's invading onto the interior. Then I need a rope sort of colour. So what's that's a good one. That's a good one. But if I do like a little string or something, yeah, if I do that, we're gonna pick that color again and basically just cover over that bit quickly, like that, and then we are going to turn off the snapping to grid. We're gonna decrease the size down. We're gonna get orange like this, and start just putting like little sparks on it, I guess. So I don't know, if I just go like with some dots or something around. I think it needs to be like denser and then I think it's the right idea. It might need a bit of work in the future, but for now, that's quite good. So I'm going to export this one as well. So that can be exported as projectile 3 card 1, because that is actually projectile 3. Don't know why I'm designing projectile 3 before I design projectile 2. Right, and now back to erasing everything. So erase the outline, remove the decoration, and projectile, we're gonna recolor over it. So, oh, we're not snapping to the grid, are we? Snap to the grid. I almost know oh, I don't know how I somehow read, nothing as everything. I almost know nothing about, Roblox. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know too much about, like, modern Roblox. I know about Roblox Studio, I don't know anything about what's going on, like, with Roblox right now. I just sort of stopped keeping up to date with it, and it's slowly faded out of, like, existence. So I am now just, like, always in Roblox Studio, and nothing else. Right, so, if I do that, and then projectile decoration, I think I need, like, that's a good orange, I like that one. Decrease the size down. Oh, we're snapping to grid. Oops. Right. Turn off the snapping to grid. And we're going to basically put a bunch of these, like, cracks into it. Projectile outline, we are going to do another one of these, we're gonna do another one of those, like, darker shades. So stroke selection and stroke. There we go. That's quite good. And then I need to put flames in. Hi, honeylings. How are you doing? Well, welcome to the stream. Right. So if I call this flames, it's gonna go behind all of those. Yeah. How are you doing, honeylings? I hope you're doing well. I am currently designing some of the, like, weird stuff to go into the Angry Birds copy stuff. So, what I'm going to do, I am going to make this all pure white, which is going to seem like a really weird decision until you actually see what I do at the end. Oh, hi Jason as well. Why does, like, everyone on the Lotus SMB appear at the same time? Like, you and Jason always appear at the same time, honeylings. Right, okay. So, what we want to do now is turn off snapping to grid. Then remove that. And I need a smaller paintbrush. So if I make this, like, size 20 or something, we're going to try just hand drawing this. And those are probably not words that you would want to hear when trying to make a game, but all of these, like, GUIs and everything, they are sort of just temporary. This is just being done so that I can implement a later feature in the future. Why are all of the flames, like, flicking off to one side at the end? There we go, let's make one that goes that way. Yeah, that reminds me, I need to get up because I need to go to school. Right. You woke up not too long ago. Honeylinks, did you forget that you needed to go to school? Is that what you're saying there? You forgot you had to go to school? Because, I mean, like, I can understand not liking school, but forgetting that you have it entirely? That's that's a bit of a stage up. Yes, you forgot that you had to go to school. Well done, Honeylinks. Well done. Right, okay, so if I fill in this... Yeah, you might be confused what I'm doing and why I'm making it all white, but it's gonna be cool, hopefully. I'm hoping it will be cool with what I do. I have a fun idea for it. So I need to fill in all of these flames. That is what I need to do. So just colour it all in. This isn't looking too bad, I will be honest. It's looking better than I thought it would be. So, there we go. And what I can do now is I can make all of the other layers invisible. I can use this, like, magic wand tool, basically, and select it. I can turn the other layers visible again now at this point. And what I can do is, if I get the gradient tool, I can put a gradient on all of this. I'm going to turn on snapping to grid. But I can put a gradient on that. That looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie, like with the darker colours there. But if I make it, like, some sort of brightish red there, and then up here, make it a nice orange. Ooh, it's not quite what I wanted, but as I said, it's temporary. It's a temporary, GUI. So, I'm gonna try and implement these, and what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these, oh, actually, that reminds me. Maybe what I could try is, flames outline. If I just try this, I'm doing it on another layer because it might not look great. But if I find like a middle ground or something like that, then I can do stroke selection. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm leaving it like that. It's better. Actually, what if I do it just thinner? So I can do it as like 5 pixels maybe. Nah, still don't like it. Right. So if I move this out of the way now, I can export that as projectile 2, card 1. Export. And now I need to upload all of these, which is going to be a pain. So, scroll the way up, choose file. I know that you can't see what I'm doing. So, projectile 1, card 1. Projectile 2, card 1. That didn't select for some reason. Projectile 2, card 1. Upload. Wait for it to finish. There we go. My dog broke my expensive monitor last night, so I decided to— What? Honeylinks, what? Back, boys. Welcome back, s'mores. How's it going? Right, and then projectile 3, card 1. You've missed the creation of some very cool, cards that I am going to need, so what I am doing is, right, projectile 1, card 1, and then if I go to this GUI here, this is going to be, I need to find, where is it? So, image, we're going to change it to that. What is that? What on earth is that? What is that? What's that grey? What the heck is that? Like, actually, what is that? That's not even in the image. That's not in the image export. So what is that? Is it still there if I click play? Like, if I click play, is it gonna be there? He's usually with my mum at night. Huh. Yep, that's still there. What is that? That's not in the— that's literally not even in the file. If I open up the file of it, so pictures, custom decals, stream game, crumble. If I open up the card, it's literally not there on the image. So what the heck is that? What is that? Huh? I don't want that. What is it? Get it off. Right, what if I change size? So, size, I don't know, let's change it to 7.3. Oh, you stretch that way. Unless, is it because of the scale type? Yeah, because you're set to slice. No, I want fit. But I told it to do fit. Why is it? Right, okay. now we're going to do projectile 2 and duplicate, and we're going to do projectile 3. So, projectile 2, your position is going to be 0.03. Okay. Oh, right. Size is 0.02. What? Oh! Oh, wait. Oh, your size has a plus 100 on it. Oh. That's annoying. I did not know that. Right, hold on. Ah, that's more like what I wanted it. Okay, so if I change that to that, there we go. There we go, that is starting to work now. So, projectile 2, position, we want to change this to 0.1, I don't know, 0.15? That feels really far away, but 0.25? No. 0.05? There we go. Okay. And this one, this is going to be projectile 2. So we can change it to that. There we go. And then projectile number 3. And this one's position gets to 0.21. And then I need projectile 3. I think I'm most proud of this one's image. I like this one's image, it came out well. There we go. The bomb! Look at that! So that kind of works. There we go. I quite like that. Alright. Who have we actually got in chat now? Hold on, let me check the participating tab, which I didn't know exist, but now I do, thanks to Fousey. So we have Austin, Captain Pineapple, Domini, Fousey, Honeylinks, Can, or CLS, Nightmare, Crystal, and S'mores. How's everyone doing? I just had my first, drink of orange squash in over an hour. Okay, right, what I am going to do then, there's two things that I want to do. So, firstly, damage part. I want to do if hit.name.launch, or if hit.name is launched projectile, then do that. But what I also want to do is if hit.name is explosion, then basically part colon destroy. So if, or no, wait, no, part dot health val equals 0. So basically, if a part is in contact with an explosion, it gets completely destroyed. That's basically the way I am going to use it, I think. So it's like, if the part gets touched by an explosion, it gets destroyed by the explosion. So I will have to test that. Although I don't think I can actually test it with this part because oh right, no. Okay, that gave me a panic there. It's fine, it's fine. Right, replicated storage. We are going to we're going to call this select select projectile, and then insert object local script, and this is going to be projectile pick. So local right, local button equals script.parent, local replicated storage equals game.replicated storage, and then local event equals replicated storage dot select projectile. And what we can do here is button dot mouse button 1 click, colon connect brackets function, and then what we want to do is, oh my gosh, right, this is, wait, and then local projectile equals, oh wait, hold on, actually no, this is fine, game dot lighting dot cloning dot projectiles dot projectile 1, and then what we want to do is event colon fire server projectile. So we're not firing the projectile, that's not what this does, even though it says fire. What this is going to do is we can insert a script into next projectile. So if we put a script in, and what this is going to be is called ready next projectile. And in here, what we will do, you're setting your servers on fire? Not quite. What we are going to do is, I just realised half my messages didn't even load. Oh no, CLS, oh no. Right, so, I think, by the way, guys, after this, once this, like, bit is done, once this, like, selecting the projectile is done, I'm gonna end the stream, because, I sort of need to. We're getting to that time where the stream needs to end, and I also need to turn my light on. So there we go, now I can see my room a bit better. So, local, val equals script.parent, local replicated storage equals game.replicated storage, and then local event equals replicated storage dot select projectile, and event event dot on server event colon connect brackets function, like that, and then what we get from it is player and projectile, and then we can do val dot value equals projectile, like that. Hello, Dakota Bates, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. You've joined us near the end of it, but there's still a bit to go. And Crazy Plays, hello, welcome to the stream, both of you two. Yeah, you've joined us near the end of the stream. There's still a bit to do, but basically we've been working on the Angry Birds remake stuff, but we're bringing it over to this new game, and we're making it a bit better. So we have 3 projectiles. Only these 2 work. I haven't actually set up projectile 2. Actually, that's the question. What should we make projectile 2? I need a lawyer to get you to court. Why? Right, got to go now, but have a great rest of your stream. Probably won't be back before you finish. Bye. Goodbye, Foozy. Have a good day. Right, so, as I was saying, with projectile 2, what do we do? Because I've sort of like made it something that's lit on fire, but like, does it set fire to the parts or something? Like, how do I make it work? Because the thing is, I can change it. I can make it do whatever I want. I have one that explodes. I have one that's just basic. I can do whatever I want with the second one. What should I make it do? Right, so ready next projectile. That seems fine. So what should happen is if I click on the first one down there, and then I look at aim part and then next projectile, look at that, it's ready, and then I can shoot the next projectile just like that. That now works. So, if I take this script and paste it into the other two, okay, there actually is less work than I thought there was going to be. So if I do that, then it should mean I can now swap between these parts, so that... Oh right, of course I didn't actually change which one they're selecting. So this one needs to select projectile 2, and then this one needs to select projectile 3. So what should happen now? Projectile 2 is not available. Oh, of course, right. Where is it? So this one, what we are going to do, we're going to copy it, we're going to go to cloning and projectiles, paste it in. There we go. It was missing there. That was my fault. Right. So now, if we select the basic projectile, look at that. It launches. We can launch it. That goes so far, considering that that is a rock. That is a rock. And then we can select the fire one. I feel like the fire needs a higher rate, although I think it's at its maximum rate, isn't it? It's fire particles are at the maximum rate. Yeah, rate 100. I can't set it higher than that. Oh, I can. I can go higher than that. If I go 500. I didn't know you could go higher than that bar. Huh. Well, okay, I guess I've now increased the fire 5 times over. So... it still looks exactly the same, okay. But then, there's also the bomb one, which, after it touches a part, it waits 3 seconds and explodes over there. I want to change the explosion ever so slightly, just so that it's a bit smaller, maybe? So, explode projectile. I want to be editing this one. Explode projectile, it's still going to wait 3, but what I think I am going to do, I'm going to do size 30. What I should also do is projectile dot cast shadow equals false, and I think this is a bit confusing to work out. We must summon him. What? S'mores? Oh, he's not in the participants. He isn't here. Like, he isn't in the stream. He's not at the stream anymore. I don't know where he went. He never said goodbye. Yeah, he's not there. Oh, now he's back. He literally appeared as soon as I said that. Hi, S'mores. Welcome back. We missed you. We were wondering where you were. Right. So, I think I'm gonna double how fast the explosion grows. And half the time that it's growing. So if I try this now, I'm going to try this, and I'm also going to decrease down its power quite a bit. Select the bomb, and what we should see is it blow up. It's still too slow, isn't it? It's still way too slow. But, like, I can't remove the weight value, because the weight value is what's holding it together. It feels too slow. It feels too slow. What if I go 0.5? 0.5 feels like a lot, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to decrease that down to 10, which is still going to increase it by 5 studs. And then I'm gonna do weight 1. So it's gonna do that. So now if I select the bomb, decrease the power down just so that it stays in view. And... That actually... Right, and then what I'm gonna do is for count equals 1 to 10, do weight 0.1 and projectile dot transparency minus equals 0.1. So what that should do is no, plus equals 0.1, not minus, so plus equals 0.1. Hi Skulls, welcome back. Got to go, I did sub. Thank you, Dakota. Oh, Dakota, not Dakota. Thank you. That is now 8 subs in one stream. And welcome Skulls, welcome to the stream. I'm afraid you've joined us fairly close to the end, because I'm basically sort of just working out some of the problems with the bomb. That's gonna go off screen before I can see it. I need it to stay on screen. Oh! That works quite well. I do quite like that. I think that has the feeling that it needs. Right, I want to see, can I get a bomb that can blow up that part? Oh yeah, I forgot the explosions are considered solid. I should probably turn that off. So, bought a gym 2 hours ago, I just didn't chat. Oh, okay, right. Okay. Well, thank you for being here, Skulls. Yeah, it's a bit weird when, like, no one chats, because then it's like, are they here or something? It's like, you never know. But, well, welcome. How are you doing today, Skulls? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Right, something I have realised, I don't think that, the part here is anchored. Or, no, I think it is still anchored, so I'm gonna unanchor it, so that it can work with the hit collisions. Health foul is not a valid member. Oh my gosh. Right. What I'm basically having to do, what I'm having to do is work out some of these things. So if I go stone. Wait, why is there not a health value in the wood? Why is there no health value in the wood? The wood should have all of the same things. There is a health value. What? Health value is not a valid member of workspace.wood. Excuse me? Okay, right. Oh wait, hold on. Excuse me? Health equals, or right, health dot value equals 0. How would health value not be a valid member of it? It's very much there. It's definitely there. Right, okay, select the bomb. It's gonna roll over. Wood, no, wood. Oh my gosh. This is the worst thing to select sometimes. Health foul is very much part of it. Oh my gosh. That is the most annoying thing to try and work out here with the indicators. Right. Maybe I should disable the launch indicators thing for now. So where is that? That's gonna be up here, isn't it? Launch indicators enabled is off. Oh gosh, chat suddenly moved. Someone put word bomb in the word Wait, someone put in word bomb, put the word pseudo... Oh my gosh, that... People do that, it's like... I swear that must be a bot in... Like... That must be a bot sometimes. Or like, they have something that can find them the longest word ever with that. Oh, that was a bit too fast. I just want to see... So, if I unanchor the part, it should technically have the collision and everything. So... Why did it not get destroyed? I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. Oh, wait, oh, I know why. I know why. It is because it's sitting on the ground here. Which has a super high speed value to deal damage to parts. Basically because nothing is supposed to sit on that part. Now, where's stone? Why does nothing have a destroy script? Oh, right, wait, oh yeah, of course it doesn't have a destroy script. Right, okay, I am going to end the stream here though, because we've made good progress. Like, I'm not sure how much other people see it as progress, but like, we have made good progress. This version of all the stuff is still unplayable, because there's no link to it from the main game yet, but there's nothing to really do, so that's fine. I'm making you fan art. Oh my gosh, thank you, S'mores. Thank you. That actually means, like, right, this, when is your next stream? Maybe tomorrow, if not, I don't know. Basically, I will always try and stream on a Monday. I will always try and stream on a Monday. But this week, I do have a lot of time to stream. I don't stream on weekends, that's the only other thing. What day is it tomorrow? Wait, it's Wednesday today, so it's Thursday tomorrow. Right, okay, I'm not going to be streaming on Friday, probably, as well, because my sister's coming home from university, so I kind of want to say hi. Like, actually spend some time there. I'll be sending fan art on the Discord in like 5 minutes. Thank you, S'mores. Right, sorry, so, right. Basically, actually, wait, I might not be able to stream on Monday this week. Right. Okay, so this Monday, I might not be able to stream. I don't ever stream on weekends. If I have free time, I will normally stream any day of the week. So, tomorrow and... yeah, tomorrow, I should be able to stream, and I probably will. And then there might not be any more streams for a while, just because of, like, other stuff that's going on. But then, like, I should be able to get back. Before you go, wait, Pineapple, yeah, don't worry, I'm kind of stalling. But, yeah, thank you, everyone, for being here. Yeah, this version of the game, I might work on it tomorrow, maybe, I don't know, I might jump between this and the playing game. But yeah, back to the, like, fan art thing. Genuinely, I don't think people realise how much that has, like, an influence on me. Seriously, if I, like, get any sort of fan art, I'm just so happy. Reason why you're ending it early? It's not that early, it's 5:44. That's actually longer than a lot of my streams sometimes and everything. It's not that early. In fact, how long has the stream been going? Yeah, the stream's been going for 3 hours and 45 minutes, which is standard. That's around standard normally, so that's actually quite good, in all honesty. Yeah, I'm waiting for whatever Skulls is good. Well, you end it around 6 PM. That's normally when I am forced to go. I try and end it earlier than 6 PM because, because it's best that I get all of this stuff, like, shut down and everything, before 6 PM, but, like, occasionally, because of just rambling on and everything, the stream will end up going longer than, like, it will end up going past 6 PM. So that's why it occasionally ends up as 6 PM, but normally I try and end the streams before that. Wait, should I add Captain on Pineapple? What do you mean? Hold on, wait, should I add Captain on Pineapple? What do you mean by that? Like, I don't know, people always refer to me as just like either... Oh, should I add a Captain Hat on Pineapple? You could. You could. I'm not gonna complain either way. See you peoples later. Goodbye, CLS. I'll see you soon. Hopefully. Yeah, is Skull still here? Because Skull's said to wait, and yeah, Skulls is not saying anything. Is Skull still here? Read it. Skulls, I'm afraid your message hasn't come through. I don't think your message has sent. Skulls, if you want to send it to me on, like, Discord or something, you can try that. Like, send it on the Discord server. But, yeah, it's not gonna come through on, YouTube chat, probably. YouTube is probably flagging it for some reason, going, oi, this is suspicious, or something. Reposting it probably wouldn't work, because YouTube will just flag it again. I don't know why YouTube just does that, it's just kind of weird with it. Yeah, Skulls, if you're copying and pasting it, I don't think it's working. So, send it on the Discord, or what's the word? I don't know. Send it on the Discord, or I can check the, things. I enabled, you should be able to join. I don't know if that's meant for me or S'mores, but sure. Right. Yeah, so, as I said, thank you all for coming. I do need to end the stream though, so, yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed it, and huge thank you for the 8 new subscribers as well. That's quite an insane number for my streams, especially since it's normally like 1 or 2. Wait, why are we waiting now? Why are we waiting now? What's going on? Can you help us with our game, Pineapple? I will try. There's no confirmation that I will be able to, because I've got, like, other stuff that I need to, work on. You're sending it right now? Oh, I'm sorry, I've got to look at this on stream then. I've got to look at this on stream. Wait, where is it? Is, fan art channel, I assume? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, Darth Vader got a very big welcome on the, Discord. What's your Discord so you can join my call? My Discord server is linked on, oh my gosh, that is awesome. I like that. That is amazing. I think, wait, oh no, it's gone. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? No, where's it gone? Where'd it go? Yeah, if you look on my, like, channel, you'll see a link to the Discord. So there's that. And that should lead you to my, well, it will lead you to the server, but you can get to the account from there. I'm not gonna put my main Discord in the chat though. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you. Show the stream. Hold on, wait, can I, right. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I have fan art. Really, like, you have no idea how much that, like, makes me happy. But, I'm sorry, I'm taking too long to end the stream here. So yeah, thank you for that, S'mores, and thank you everyone that is, nice, your PFP. Yeah, so thank you, everyone, for coming to the stream. Thank you for the 8 new subscribers. That really is insane. I'm so thankful for all of that. And I will hopefully see you in the next stream. Bye bye.